FXBros.
Good morning, good morning. We're here. The news is out. We'll pull the news up right quick. Put it up on the screen. Economic calendar. Actual. Let me move the actual over here. It should be over here. I'm tripping. So we got increases on the continuous jobless claims. We got a decrease. Shit, really it's an increase. Fuck that. We're looking at the consensus. It's all negative. Only thing is the 4-week average we dropped on. Everything else we up. Initial and continuing. The continuing is 2 weeks. We have at least a consistency of 2 weeks of pulling benefits. So we shall see. Hold on 1 second. Go send this link out. Alrighty. Let's see what we got going on. So yeah, I can see as far as the news goes, it just released about 7 minutes ago. Everything for the most part is negative. Like I said, the initial jobs claims is showing green only because it's under what the consensus was. It's still over the previous, so it's still growing. So that's still a bad number. That's not good. The continuing and the 4-week average, like I said, the continuing jobless claims is measured. Currently unemployed and receiving unemployment benefits for who filed for unemployment at least 2 weeks ago and have not been high off highs since that time is referred to as the continuous jobless claims. So 2 weeks ago, at least, you fall in this category. The 4 week average is people that just been on a little bit long, and I did some research on the jobless claims and the length that most states, because it's like a state-based thing, regional-based thing, and but it's a sweet setup, boy. Bouncing after rejection, bearish engulfing, crazy. Um, but yeah, most states and regions give like a 6 to 8 month type of outlook for the for what you call benefits. So let's see what it let's see what is going on. Let's see what's going on with that. Because me personally, I don't think the numbers is 100% accurate. If you ask me, could be wrong though. It could be giving out fair numbers, and just like I said, if there ever is an issue, they just print more money. Fix liquidity issues that way. But other than that, I'm not seeing too much of a reaction off the news. So it might be a delayed situation, or might be something that was already priced in. It sells overnight. Look at the dollar. Dollar still pulling bullish, so that would mean a bearish AU and a bullish UJ, which has really been ranging on the cool. And I need to take this off. It's really been ranging. Even on the 4 hours, not a real true direction. You really have to zoom out. Overall, since April, like we started out the year in sales, like I said, we are in this little channel situation. So, and I feel as if the market wanted to go up here. So if I go to the daily, you can see a little better. But just like how this market did, created bullish structure to hit that top. We ain't hit it so that was the second time. I guess you could say three with that wick. But these next few times, struggle to break above that first initial leg of the bullish structure after bears came in and gave that pullback, that first pullback. That was right around November last year. No, November 2024, not last year. So we pushed high again in January of this year, 2025, but couldn't continue. Sold off in April, helping for more sales with tariffs. And we've been creating bullish structure, but in a range bound type scenario. So from that April low, when tariffs was talked about, we were ranging all the way until mid-June. We didn't get no breakout. But look at this. We didn't get a true breakout, I would say, to like really mid-July. And if you really want to be honest, the end of July. That last little push on July 30th, 31st, that was like the breakout. But you can see how fast we broke back in and then started another trading range. And that was from the beginning of August, or like that end of that first week in August, all the way until we broke out in October. So if you look at time-wise, like the time it took for markets to truly reach the top of this range like this in this channel, this scenario is from the beginning of 2023, and it touched the highs mid 2024. So it did a year and a half. Right now, we're down here in April 2025. So that would be like April this year plus another 6. So October is a potential if we following with time frame. But the only thing I don't like, that don't look clean, is the fact that we didn't have that much of consolidation in this run. And if we did, like this area was kind of consolidated, but it still was making higher highs. And that this time is, its lows are getting touched, multiple lows getting touched, multiple highs getting touched. So it's just kind of ranging. We didn't get that bullish structure to kick back in until October. We had that October breakout, and we've been bullish since. But if we look at the weekly, we can see where we were coming from as the carry trade was playing out. So about 2000, fourth quarter 2012, I initially had that bullish run up on UJ. Started at about, let's say, like $78, $79. It ran up to current prices at 156. So if we look at the bigger picture, we do have more consolidation at this new high of this range now. And we're not making any higher highs. The last high we made was in June 2024. Try to make another high January last year. And currently we at a previous high. But if you look at the candlestick patterns, let's check this out. Don't have any engulfings yet on the weekly. The monthly is printing some weaker candles as far as the bodies. Daily, we starting to get bearish engulfings. And I want to see how it reacts. I'm going to put a line over this because this is an important high. The only reason it's important because it couldn't continue the bullish structure. This is like we had bullish structure all up in here. And for us to reach this high, we never got that high. Never touched the top of this range, this trend line or whatever. So yeah, this is an important range. Or a very important high, should I say. It's from January 13th last year. So we want to keep an eye on that and see how the market respects that. We might, in this area, even probably in this area too, because we can take out that high. We might sweep these areas for liquidity and then possibly trade lower for the continuation of a reverse carry trade. The UJ, as the dollar potentially turns around. Now the dollar is, since November, been bearish all year. Since January 1st. Been bearish all year. It's no bullish structure yet. The only thing I can say, but it didn't it didn't have a real structure, a real struggle to take over the small bearish structure that it created from. So basically, if you look at middle of September going into October, you'll see that bearish structure being created on a dollar on a daily. But if you look to the left, it didn't really have a lot to fight through. You know, it had some ranging going on pretty much all of August and mostly September. But that was probably easy for it to fight through. But notice it didn't create a new high. So the high would have been, yeah, I would say up here 100 to 100.2. 100.2. We didn't create bullish structure above that. We slightly swept it with wicks, but the market sold off soon as we got to that high. Right now, the dollar is still kind of pushing. I don't see no reason for extreme targets back up to 99.9, any 99s for that matter. I think we might be filling in this range right here all the way up to 98.9. And I'll draw it out just so we can have a little better visual. I think we could monitor this on a daily. Let's see how well we react from that range. Check this out. Everything else is working out good. Let's see, we are in sales on AU. This was, damn boy, that was my bad. I know I took sales on the sweep of the previous weekly high, but I got burnt on that, even though the buys that I was in when UJ was selling worked out perfectly. You know, bouncing out the 50%, that worked out perfectly. But I thought we were gonna sweep the high. But then again, I knew we were very close to this this trend line. So once we created this bearish, one engulfing, but it was strong enough. We created that bearish candle. We later found. But yeah, once we had this engulfing that engulfed more than 50% of the previous 4 hour, didn't engulf the closed candle, but it was down to like 70-80% of the candle was engulfed. So wasn't like the best true sell everything type of sign, but strong enough, especially coming after sweeping a previous weekly high. You already see what happened when we did that on Sunday. We had a nice little bearish run. Made some money on that. And with the wicks sweeping the 50% and then creating strong bullish pushes out of that, not continuing the bearish structure. No closes below this area, 66, 70, 71. Yeah, we started going up. And when we didn't continue bearish after sweeping that previous weekly high, even stronger than we did on the previous week Sunday, then it all kind of lined up to say like, oh, it's a high chance we already up here, so we might as well, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm already in town, I might as well go holler at grandma. won't come all the way over here. And she found out I was in town and didn't come see her. So that's basically what this is. It was already in town. Might as well go and touch that and then sell off instead of selling off from right here. And you got this whole trend line. Go to the weekly, you'll see. I know it's kind of messy. But this yellow trend line that we bounced off was our initial structure that we looking at. January 2023. And we had a touch September two last weeks, September 2024. And we had a touch here in January 26. It's looking like it's been a nice little 6 to 8 month gap between touches, roughly. Yeah, so that's working out great. No weekly price action just yet on sales, but their rejection is speaking volumes, especially if we close bearish on this weekly, which we have one more day and 9 hours. But if we close bearish after touching that sweeping highs, touching trend line, that speaks volumes. And we should be in an amazing sale that's going to probably get us back down to this area I've been looking for the longest. That'll be where liquidity sits at the heaviest, besides going all the way down the tariffs. April 7th, on that week. So let's see how we react to the money bags. Yeah, that was like that's a A+ setup. This right here, you get a breakout over a previous weekly high. No selling after that, which is like, okay, maybe it's still bullish. Cool. I didn't get a strong bullish signal, no crazy bullish engulfings and all this. It's just like, look at these weak ass candles. We got weak ass candles right here. And they're gonna strong breakout. And granted, it did happen at 9 in the morning, or 8 in the morning. So that was that London, New York crossover, New York open. But still though, it was like it wasn't this. Similar size body candles, small wicks to the top side, damn near no wicks on the bottom side, just straight bullets. Like that's what you want to see. Not no weak ass candles like this indecision. That one big dumbass 1.5 daily ATR type candle. And then after that, two indecisions or two weak ass by like, yeah, you don't want that. But that's what happens when you get to a very important range, to get there quick and kind of slow up on steam. Other than that, we would have to see something, I would say 80% or a similar candle, like 80 to 75% of this candle. So whatever that price was, a similar size candle would need to come after this to show strong bullish continuation, similar to this little one. And it's rare that you would get a big bullish candle, especially on AU like this, with large size and a continuation of these same size candles. You can look back in history. Might show a little bit better on the daily. Might see it better, but yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour, that's kind of rare, especially on the 4 hour. 1 hour in a daily, you might see it. But yeah, so like I said, we didn't get a continuation or a sell off after that sweep of the previous high, and then right when that somewhat bearish engulfing candle was created, the next candle was bullish and ate up all that bearish move. So I was like, okay, back above the previous weekly high. Where else are we going? What other targets do we have? And lo and behold, we got a trend line sitting 40 pips away from that, which is well within the daily ATR for this pair. So it can make that move in a day or a day and a half. Because our ATR is 50 pips, so it wasn't like it was 120 pips away. But we for sure need 2 days, so you would have to look at the daily for that to see if it has the potential to create two bullish or bearish days, whatever direction you're going in, for you to hit that target and then make a decision off of it. But I know we had this area to touch, and lo and behold, we came to the T and touched it. And from there, had a bearish engulfing with continuation. Like, that is an A plus setup. Not only did we get on the 4 hour, but you could have got in early on the 1 hour at midnight on Wednesday. And I was out kicking it. So that's what we can't go out no more, man. I gotta stop going out on dates and shit, bro. That should be fucking. Or if I do go on dates, we gotta go for coffee in the morning because I'm done trading. 10 o'clock coffee date. You know what I mean? I can't do this late night shit. I know. I'll be fucking up my London place. But yeah, it was nothing pretty much showing on anything lower than the 1 hour. Just trying to see on the 15 minute if we had any bearishness. Yeah, beautiful setup. Beautiful. London with a continuation. Yep. We have the we got an indecision on the 4 hour. That's kind of weak. So now we have to break this low with a body. So it's putting pressure on AU now. Other than that, we getting out of sales and waiting for the next setup. With that indecision this week in volumes, like, shouldn't have that. Shouldn't have that. What the bonds doing? So the bonds rallying. Hmm. 10-year yield extends deadline. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to around 4.1 on Thursday, extending this week's deadlines, and investors continue to assess the outlook of the Federal Reserve policy in light of the latest economic data. Job openings dropped more than expected in November, signaling cooling labor demand, while private payroll growth in December was weaker than anticipated. Some data, however, showed a surprising improvement in services sector activity. Yeah, because niggas out there spending their money. Investors are now turning attention to weekly jobless claims due to Thursday, December employment report Friday. For further insight into the labor market, markets are currently pricing a nearly 90% chance that the Fed will hold rates steadily later this month. We shall see. We'll see what they do. S&P starting to get some bearishness. Nothing too crazy on the daily just yet. Summer S&P. NAS. kind of holding strong, not letting that structure break. I like that. Nas 100, S&P, kind of let it broke, but like I said, that's 500 companies versus looking at NASDAQ 100, tech-driven sector, the NASDAQ. And we are in a technological boom right now. I know a lot of people say it's a bubble, but it's a booming bubble. I like that. Gold having some pullbacks, silver having a real strong pullback. But its range was higher from the high. Gold already fell back into its range after it made this all-time high range in here. We fell back into it. Now, I would say, if anything, gold is pulling back to develop another leg of bullish continuation. So probably gonna come back down to 4,400 or 4,350 and then take off again. I would say monitor it on a daily. So best option. Silver. A lot of bearish engulfings on the 4 hour. Just silver, but silver has some decent support. Demand area being held 71.5 all the way down to 71 flat. 72 flat to 71 flat. Silver been holding that price pretty well. And nice little slight continuations up from that point. So I'll definitely keep an eye on that area and see what do the buyers do when it comes back down to 71 or 72. And let's see what that increase looks like. Okay. UJ was a buy, but it's like, where do you get in at? There are no true setups to get in. Sales is way better. When our rate decision is the Fed rate decision, that might turn on the volume for UJ. Wait and see what the dollar's going to do. We already know what the yen doing. They dropping rates. Bitcoin is giving back all that profit it did. Nice little breakout. Coming back into the range of that breakout. Like 89 flat. Hold on a second. Oh. The U.S. Justice Department is pursuing its largest forfeiture, targeting $15 billion in Bitcoin linked to an alleged fraud by Shenzi amid ongoing cyber theft accusations. Damn, these niggas just getting all kind of Bitcoin, huh? Chinese authorities arrested Shenji linked to a $15 billion Bitcoin scam after his deportation from Cambodia. He faces charges of fraud and money laundering in China. Forfeiture. Damn. 15 Bs. I guess you can't even find a lawyer that want to touch that, even though you got all the money in the world. It's like, I'm good, bruh. I don't know this crypto shit. Can't help you, fam. Ether is experiencing a drawdown, drop. XRP coming back into the twos. Yeah, man. I want to see what this sell-off does. Are we going to test 180 again? Are we going to break it and start to test 140? That's that wick we had from last year in October, which I really... Oh, that just swept the tariff news. See, that don't explain. What happened on Ripple, bro? I need to know now. Anybody can look that up. It was in the evening, like 4 o'clock, 4 to 8 candle. And we had a crazy sell-off. One candle just moved from, what is this, 270 as a high, just rounded up 270, and it dropped all the way down to 140. Sweeping the sell-off during the April tariff news. What was that? Gotta go to ChatGPT right quick, man. What was this during, what's this, October 10th, Friday. Let's see what they say. Macro shock. U.S. and China trade tensions escalation. On October 10th, the market was rocked by an unexpected announcement that the U.S. under President Trump would impose 100% tariffs on Chinese imports. The geopolitical shock triggered a broad risk-off move across global financial markets, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The sudden policy news caused investors to flee risk assets and rotate to safer holdings like cash and treasuries. Crypto markets plunged off less panic sellers selling spread. Massive leverage liquidations because many traders were using leverage. Borrowed funds and swift price drops in major assets triggered a cascade of forced liquidations. Margin calls. 19 billion in leverage positions were wiped out in hours. Liquidity grab. Share the tab so I can read. So it's macroeconomics, record level of leverage liquidations, flash crash behavior due to thin order books and cascading stop losses, and broader market contagion. Did Bitcoin experience the same drop? Let's see. Yes, it did. But it ate all that up. Like Bitcoin ate all that up. That was in the 108s when it did that. Now we're going to 89. I'm guessing it did it too. Yeah. XRP was so prominent though. And we still haven't met that low. At least all these have been met. Let me see if UJ anything. So selling off. Not a norm. Right quick. Yeah, keep selling. Keep selling. So let's look at some of these stocks before we open. We are still on lift calls. Like Microsoft closed slightly positive yesterday. Tesla down, but not by much. Oracle, same scenario, down, but not by much. ABGO, similar situation. Nike lost 3% yesterday. Fxbrosllc, pretty decent. I think I have one contract on them too. Bros and Lyft. Nvidia up 1%. Netflix was trying to find a bottom. And they do have earnings on Tuesday on the 20th. 12 days. Warner Brothers Discovery's board confirmed its merger with Netflix, valued at $82 billion, and its share price returning, citing lower risk than competing 108 billion bid from Paramount, I think. Paramount Skydance reiterates Warner Bros. Offer. Yeah, we're still waiting. We're still waiting, but Netflix is going to be a great buy whenever they figure that shit out. And Netflix is going to be a real good buy. Big Bear. As soon as we get in, they want to go crazy. Yeah, it's been having nice runs since last week on Friday. It's been running up real nice. Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday was when we got in. Wednesday night. And of course, it gave us a -6% on the day. Not to worry about that. What do I have? We got earnings coming out. Earnings coming out on the 18th. Yeah. Earnings coming on the 18th. I got to expire on the 20th, so I may get out of that before earnings, because last time it didn't work out too well on the earnings. Cisco pretty much filled in that gap. So what you're gonna do? Cisco will have a bullish day tomorrow or today. We'll see in 9 minutes. Walmart is coming from the high of 117, 116. And we did push higher. It was good for buys, but the only thing that the next day kind of ate up all those profits. But this with a 1.4%. So Walmart is appointing Shear, the board of directors. And more Walmart news. Online holiday spending hit records. AI helped. Walmart can continue to grow share and volume. So everybody's looking for Walmart to go bullish. We all are. And I believe it will. Walmart is not going anywhere. No issues. Palantir, nice bullish push. Pre-market is above, so Palantir like it's about to have a smashing year, week, month. Micron, Amcor, Palantir, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, Herbalife. Stocks made big moves yesterday. February 18th is next earnings on Palantir. Palantir tops 25 list of stocks with biggest fund inflows. Let's see what they talk about. That they're going to show. There's not a lot of other big names that saw a lot of money coming in with Meta, Netflix, Broadcom, and AppLovin. Not sure what that is. All of these firms are connected to AI, digital infrastructure. The trend suggests that money managers still put in money into companies that will gain from the quick use of AI solutions, and many fails. That's good news. Good news for Palantir. ET. Energy Transfer announces 2026 capital investment and earnings outlook. Pre-market is flat. We did that 1.6 yesterday. Not doing good on earnings. I got this all the way out for a year, but we do have earnings on February 18th, Ash Wednesday, after Mardi Gras. So let's see what that does. Energy expects a capex of $5.5 billion in 2026. On January 6th, ET announces capital investment and earnings estimate for the full year. Plans to invest 5 to 5.5 in growth capital for natural gas projects. Expects 2026 adjusted EBITDA between 17 and 17.7 billion. Let's see what that EBITDA is. Look it up right quick. Major projects include Netherlands Flexport, NGL expansion, and Mustang draw plants. All right. Targets long-term annual distribution growth rate of 3 to 5%. Aims to maintain leverage target of 4 to 4.5 times EBITDA. EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. It is a measure of a company's operating profitability, showing cash flow from core operations by adding back non-cash expenses, depreciation and amortization, and financing tax costs, interest and taxes to net income, useful for comparing company performance but criticized for omitting crucial capital costs like asset management and debt servicing. Proxy for cash flow uses a rough indicator for a company's ability to generate cash. Shows how much money a business makes from its primary activities before accounting for financing structure and accounting rules. So it's not really, they don't really hold no value for EBITDA. But yeah, man, that's the place we in right now. Not a lot. ET, Big Bear, and Lyft. Plays I want to get into. Oh yeah, we got gold too. GLD. Holding some money in that just for safe haven, not trying to get crazy growth out of that. Till we deploy those funds somewhere else. But yeah, I want to get into some like some Walmart shit. Let's see if we can find anything structurally on it there. Like I said, I love Lyft. I can see Lyft just shooting to the moon. Microsoft, same thing. I can see Microsoft shooting to the moon. Tesla, possibly still got some more selling to do. Oracle, I could see it shooting too, but I could also see it potentially retesting 178 or 179. AVGO, Broadcom, We need some more bullish structure. Bullish push up to 360. Then I can see that continuation. Nike. Yeah, Nike's just out of there. I'm gonna take Nike out. Fxbros. Not bad. They do create structure a lot, so that's good. It's just kind of on the volatile side, so you got to see where structure is getting created. But um, they're getting increased price targets, so that's a good thing. Nvidia, once we break above 193, we'll be back in headline news. Break above 200. Netflix, crazy upside potential. From a high from 130, 133. Current price $90. That's crazy work. So yeah, Netflix could definitely be a nice little move. Big Bear, waiting to see what that opens at. Oh, we just opened, market open. Triple. Cisco selling off, Walmart selling off, Palantir still rising. Nothing is down crazy heavy besides Walmart down about 2%. Walmart XRP is dropping some more. Yeah. Damn, I ain't had the charts up. I ain't have Jay to tell me. So I was kind of looking at structure-wise, and as you can see, Lyft look like we can pop up. Microsoft, same scenario. Tesla still selling off. Oracle still selling off. AVGO. Holding structure. Fxbros, volatile, but build structure a lot. So you can possibly find some decent moves on like a scalping in and out. Probably be good to trade Fxbros. Nvidia needs to break above 190. The daily on the body. Netflix, just waiting for a bullish signal. We're probably gonna be going long on Netflix too. Big Bear, look like we back to break even on that. Cisco, trying to figure out what it's gonna do. It's gonna keep selling off because it already closed in at the gap. So Walmart 2.5% now. Palantir is up 1.6. Still holding bullish structure. Nothing got swept yet, so Palantir is golden. ET is roughly up 1%. 0.9. What's up, brother? I got you. I muted you, man. But yeah, we're gonna see. Like I said, market just opened 3 minutes ago, so gonna let it breathe. See what we get. This might just be early morning shakeout. And then we get higher moves. Because we are definitely overdue for some bullishness after that weak to no Santa rally we just had. I think we had 1%. Hold on 1 second, y'all. What's up, man?
Boy, this that bullshit here.
Bruh.
Boy, Walmart down bad, boy. I know I should have closed that bit when I was up 50% on my calls. So.
Mm-hmm.
On the first day, I said, yep, I should have just closed that bit out on the first day.
Yeah, that's scary, boy. First day, 50%? That's like, damn.
Yeah,
That's
so
damn near too, that's too close to luck.
Yeah, nigga should have closed that bit.
Damn,
man. Cause damn BBAI about to bust. Alright. BBAI look like it about to do
Big
something.
Bear. Yeah. Got into that bitch on the day it had a bearish day. I was like, man, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna wait till I see that bit do something. I gotta wait till my buying power hit now.
Yeah.
One of my shit's going up. Walmart done blew it, son.
Walmart ain't that far away from having a great week. If they hold this little structure they trying to sweep below, I think it should be good. But if it break that on this day, yeah, man, you might wanna wait for a better price.
Well, it's too late. Nigga in there now.
Shit, nigga. Exercise that bitch. Take it to the gym. All right.
Take it to the head. Take it to the head.
Hold on right quick.
Man, I need my buying power, dog. Walmart goof ass. Bro, I should just close that bit. I'd have been up. I could have just used that to make a play today.
What? Talking about
I'm saying if I would have closed that damn Walmart play, I would have caught the 100 from that. Then I would have been had enough to make a play today.
Yeah.
Type shit is all good. Let me see. That SLB play might be by the bus too. When I sent y'all from that boy Wall Street Trapper had called from that oil shit going on.
Schlumberger. I think that's the name of that company. Is it you said SLB?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
I need my damn buying power to get something.
SLB Limited. Yeah, Schlumberger. Weird ass name. Well, nah, them niggas they do the oil and energy and all that shit. I think pipelines and yada yada. Say SLB shares increased 1% in the pre-market trading as the U.S. energy sector Secretary Chris Wright announced plans to resume Venezuela oil flows and facilitate U.S. oil companies access to Venezuela.
Shit.
So them niggas about to drill, baby, drill. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. That's gonna be a good one, brother.
Burn, baby,
SLB.
Burn, baby, burn.
They've got earnings coming up on Friday on the 23rd.
Damn, big gamma on that bitch.
Niggas who was in that bitch from the beginning of the year. Yeah, as soon as they got word of the whole bombings and shit, that bitch gapped the fuck up. SLB. Okay. Engages
Yeah,
in a
that big gapped
position.
up off that news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It operates through the following business segment: digital integration, reservoir performance, well construction, and production. The company was founded by Conrad Schlumberger, he says, in 1926 out of Houston. See, that's that Houston money, boy.
I'm about to see if I get this little SES contract right quick until my shit hit tomorrow.
They had a nice little year, 11%, 12% year to date, nothing too crazy. Why they not higher though? Seemed like the news would be like $200-$300 some shit a share. Damn, Big Bear, what the fuck going on?
What happened?
This is up 2.8%.
I told you them bitches busting today. That's why I was trying to. I need my damn buying power, boy. They down bad for this shit. I'd have been and gotten
Should have
that
went
bitch
out
just
longer
now
for that,
today.
huh? Let me see. I think that expired.
My
Yeah, I
partner
got
got
you.
buku stocks and all that shit. And they be getting the stocks. Boy, say I'm up. I'm super up.
So you
Niggas
ain't
be
doing the
feeling that
options, huh?
shit. Nah, nigga doing stocks. He ain't buying the options.
Yeah, man.
Come on, Walmart. Turn back up, man. I know this a fluke. And boy, I can't believe nigga missing this BBAI play, man. I know this bitch.
Yeah, I was
Do
tired
her
of missing
thing.
that shit, but I was like, Monday was, I was like, damn, because that bitch, when we seen that whole Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, it went up another 8%. I'm like, bro, hold up. I got in too late, but
Damn.
still.
RK Lab is doing this thing. That bitch RK Lab ain't playing. They just too expensive.
Today's return, 75.
Oh yeah, PL. That bitch doing this thing. Walmart, what you doing? Puss size.
Trying to come back 1.5% right now.
My partner said you got it. Reversal Wednesday. In reality, it was entry Wednesday. Nigga stupid. Nigga said it's time to get in with the numbers below like that. You heard me? Nigga talking about reverse. Get in.
That Walmart was that crack pipe, boy. Everybody
I
trying to
need
get that
that.
thing fixed. Like, damn.
I need that bitch to turn up.
Waking up to 10-20% gains. Yeah, I ain't really don't think I could get in. I couldn't get in Walmart just yet. I ain't have enough, but I'm just in Big Bear and ET. That's the only new options I got. I need to get back over them profits I gave back from Walmart. Them niggas took everything, boy.
Yeah, Walmart down bad for this shit,
Niggas
dog.
gave it.
They know they down bad for this shit. That's why that bitch going back up right now. Niggas buying at them lows. That shit not about to drop, son. That shit going right back to 115 a day. On my mama, on my soul, bitch.
Yeah.
On my
I'm
soul,
in
that bitch going to
agreement with you,
115
man.
a day, bro. On everything, bro.
I'm in agreement with you. Cause yeah, it's
That's
looking
on my
like
soul. That's on my soul.
it's holding at 110, 110.8. It ain't breaking below that. I mean, it broke it, but as long as it don't close, like even on the 1 hour, you don't need no closes below that. Walmart. One thing I do like about it, even though we've been having these crazy bearish candle breakouts to the downside, there ain't been continuation candles. So that's good. I'm thinking this Walmart bearish move is just to get better pricing so they can take it back up. That's all. It wasn't like a true bearish continuation sell-off. They've been fighting it hell every time it print. Slightly pulled back to the
No,
upside.
That bitch blind, son.
We got 14 more minutes on an
To do
hour.
something. To do something, I'ma bad the piss out.
Ah.
I'm going to Walmart today, bad the piss out the first
Damn,
employee.
Palantir turned around to that bitch was up. Man.
You hear me? Yeah, that bitch gonna go back up. Nigga say I'm going to Walmart
Damn,
today and bad the piss out the first employee I see. Yeah, but
stupid. That old ass.
the old lady checking the tickets at the
All the people in the parking lot getting the damn basket. They're like, what the fuck I do?
oh my god. The teenager getting the basket,
What
you
I
heard?
do? Slap that bitch on his neck.
I just work here.
Nah, fat. Bitch, you know what I mean. You know I
Bitch,
hit
you
your
know what
ass, nigga.
happened.
Go
You
look
know
at
what
fucking
happened,
TradingView.
motherfucker.
You know you got TradingView on your
Go
cheek.
look at TradingView, nigga. You know what happened.
Nah, real tough.
Boy, BBAI about to butt fuck.
No, bitch. 4%.
Son, they know they could have gave me my buying power before tomorrow, son. They really gave me my shit on Friday. Bitch, I put money in here on Monday. I should have do a wire though. I know not. They got to do wire transfers on this stupid
It don't go
shit.
instant like on a debit card or some shit like that?
Damn. What shit is busting today? Damn.
Yeah,
Let me
just
try
that
this
one.
shit.
Oh, everything else red in the hole.
Shit, I see shit busting. PL busting. Little baby busting.
I ain't look at little baby.
Little baby going crazy. This bitch at 93.
Mm-hmm.
It was at 70 something. That bitch been moving, son. PL busting. This bitch was at 21. This bitch at 23.50 right now. What else busting? I told y'all about BBAI. That bitch busting. That
What you
bitch
talking about
gone.
PL? You talking about Palantir?
Nah, PL. Just PL.
Oh. Okay.
PL. PL.
Planet.
That bitch going crazy.
Damn, that bitch is going crazy.
Nigga got a contract on that shit. Nigga only up like 57 though. That shit need to go up some more.
Ooh, that bitch said 480% for the year. Damn, what the fuck do they do? provides daily data and insights about Earth. Man, I don't need to know nothing about no Earth. Planet Lab, it offers web, geo platform, satellite data, available, yada, 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 yada. AS.
ASAP, ASAP.
Yeah, I don't know if everything good.
A nigga try to play me, I'ma blow him up the map. RR busting too. RR busting too. Everything busting. God damn. Everything busting. I'm looking at everything on my screen busting. Shit's up 7%, 3%, 5%. RK Lab did 5%.
Damn. Rich Tech.
APLD, that bitch up 14%. But everything up. God damn. I wish I would have had money. Walmart pussy ass done blew it. Bitch, I'm about to get out Walmart and get in something else, bro. This shit bust. Everything bust. I feel like I'm in that song. What that song? Everything bust. What? What? Everything bust. Still, everything.
Jesus song, still.
You heard me? That's money bag.
Oh.
Money bag. Yo, everything bust. They down bad though, boys. They do this shit when nigga ain't got no buying power. They gonna slap the shit out now.
But all them, that's all tech sector shit. All them you just named. Like that's all AI, pretty much. Damn, yeah.
Oh, they put me in. They slapped me in. Oh no. They slapped me in. Done double back. See that, huh?
Why am I going back there?
Yeah, I told you that bitch gonna go to like 50, bro. 15, my bad. 115. That bitch just blew me, stupid ass. Cause there I'm looking at all this other shit going up. And that bitch won't be bullshit, be stupid. Ain't about to sneak nothing. Let me see. Ain't nobody trying to take the contract. Man, give me this contract before I go up come in this bitch shoot. Oh my bad, y'all.
Now with the Glock. You got the Ruger.
Niggas is stupid.
The
Yeah, the Walmart gonna turn up. I just need that bitch to do it, bro. I feel played because I'm looking at all these other shits and my shit going crazy and I ain't got no buying power. I'm about to do a wire transfer, you heard, man? Put my money in there right now. Put me another 2 in that bitch for a fire play. I was in this play at the beginning of the week. That bitch busted. That bitch going crazy.
Yeah, all them companies you named, them niggas stock price so cheap.
Yeah, bro. The not even just the stock price, the options. Fuck.
Nah, fuck. I know the option's cheap. I'm looking at that. Like I'm looking at the stock price. Like nigga, you could just buy the stock.
Yeah.
Kind of like how JB talking about. You like, I'm just gonna buy that.
Bro. All this shit I'm looking at, bro. This shit is legit. These bitches going somewhere, going places.
Development of robotic technologies. And sells robots to restaurants, hotels, and senior living centers. Man, that's gonna be a long-term play. It says robots perform a variety.
Yeah, bro.
A variety of services, including restaurant running and bussing. So this bitch known for bussing. So yeah, you gotta buy this. This bitch gonna bust. Hotel room service, delivery, floor scrubbing, vacuuming. Hey, I want one of them bitches. Gotta go to their website. Man.
He said, I want one of them bitches
How
on the
much the
robotics.
robot
Nigga
cost?
dealing them robots.
Yeah. I was like, how much them
Nigga
hoes
said,
cost?
shit. Nigga selling robots now? For real. Oh, sure enough.
I mean, they look fire, but it's just so damn slow. Like I'm looking at this robot make a drink, and it's
Hurry
making
up,
that.
bitch.
Yeah, it's like, man, but you know, if you was in a bartender, it's like moving fast. They shaking shit, tumbling, flipping shit. Like, yeah,
Sick of
it's
this
not
shit.
good for that. Like, I think they need to wait for them human robots to do that shit.
And US 30 started busting. I might have to get in that mother. Everything busting. Bruh, German 30 played me so bad the other day. I was in the German 30 play. So
Mm-hmm.
I put my stop loss in positive about $20 because that was up like about 70. Man, that
Yeah,
bitch came all the way, stopped me up, stopped me out the next morning. Nigga should have been up 200 points. I'm like, no, no. Like right now, I've been up 150 still. Like that bitch holding, bro. I'm like, no.
that's great. Um, was it like the damn robots that be in QT when they be cleaning the floor?
Let me just try to get back in fucking German 30. I'm gonna just call it something slow moving. Something I ain't gotta watch too much. You heard me? Make a few dollars and nigga should be straight. Ain't gotta watch this whole. You heard me? For the night. Oh no. Nigga said, oh no. That fucking stop loss is insane. 9:30.
And Walmart, all right.
That bitch coming back, huh?
I just swept
That's
all
what I
in
was telling. Oh, I was telling you that bitch just gonna drop, get people out. That bitch going back. Yeah, German 30 been blew it already.
what you was in on German Thurs.
Oh no, I'm getting in that bitch trying to see what it's doing. That bitch, I'm gonna let this hour close up before I really fuck with it. For 1 minute, see what it do.
Yo, nigga,
And
we
GJ
go.
got a nice position as well. Um,
Yeah, it's kind of up in the air with German Third. I don't know if they gonna continue or if they about to sell off a little bit. But they just reach and make a new high on the 400.
Everything's selling. That's
So
why that bitch might sell out because everything's selling right now.
now, no, I'm in
Like
AU sales
as
right now.
far as um, stock,
AU selling,
indexes and shit.
silver selling, ether selling, XRP selling. Like everything was at a.
Damn, everything's starting to sell now. Everything that was up, them bitches dropping.
I know.
Everything dropping.
Big Bear dropping now. I think it's at 4%. I already know that
Yeah,
whole volatile, boy. You gotta like that bitch give you five, nigga. Just it hurts if you want to go long term, but you just can't watch that.
bro. For some reason though, with these stocks, bro, them pullbacks, I still be up. Like nigga be needing them pullbacks type shit. Like with the options, I'm gonna just say, like nigga be up, that bitch will pull back, and I'd be up even more, and then that bitch will go back up, and then nigga get go even more up type shit. That shit weird, bro.
Yeah, I'm starting to like when we had did that little breakdown of all like the gamma and all that shit. It kind of made sense that volume is more important than price in options. Like just because the price went up or down, don't mean your option contract will go up or down. But if
Right, right.
volume
Like with
is up
Walmart
or
just
down,
now. Like
right?
that volume getting higher. So our shit
Exactly,
actually gaining value. So when they go back
exactly.
up to the spot where you bought from, that bitch gonna be worth even more
Yep,
than what
yep,
it was type
yep.
shit. So nigga really gaining value from this volatility. Cause I was looking at the IVP before when we first got in was like 21%. That bitch right now, the IVP is at that's the implied volatility performance.
Mm-hmm.
That bitch at 29% right now.
Yeah,
So the IVP is actually busting. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
yeah.
going higher and higher. It's getting into a spot where it wants to start moving. You know what I'm saying? Which is hopefully it's moving in our damn direction. Yeah, five.
No, facts. Yeah,
That bitch
cause
to go to like 113 for real. 113 call on that bitch. I need it to stay above that. Stay
when you
above that
when your Walmart expired.
on the 16th. That's why I should have just closed that bit when I was up to 50%. Open a new
Oh
one.
damn.
You know what I'm saying? Just nigga you gotta finesse these hoes. You ain't trying to marry them and shit. Make that little bird out that bitch get out. You hear me? Then when it drop back down at this level is that, I could have got another one for the low,
Right.
for the low skin. At least how I be looking at these bitches. Come on, you gotta recover, bitch. You hear me? I ain't gonna say what I'm gonna say on this live. You hear me? Y'all blowing it. Just know
We
that.
gotta make
Just know
that
you're blowing it. I'm trying to get this little one contract with the last little bit of buying power I got. Boy, they refuse to open my shit.
because of volume.
Nah, because the ass price 40 and I'm trying to give them 35. Y'all let somebody,
Ah!
y'all, y'all let somebody get in for 35.
Uh,
Somebody paid 30. The last nigga paid 35. I'm trying to pay what the last nigga paid.
that
You hear
nigga
me?
at the flea market trying to negotiate. He trying to buy some shoes.
Yeah, I could wait because the stock dropping now. I could wait because the stock dropping now. Y'all about to sell it to me.
Nah, big facts.
You will want it. Hey, your shit gonna keep dropping. What you want? You won't sell it or you won't keep it. And boy, the volume on them sales is not playing now. Sell everything selling now. Them bitches was acting like they were buying. Let me see. One shit was all right. Probably just fluctuated.
ABGO Oracle down 3%.
Oh, BBA.
Lyft down 2, but Lyft is just like, oh,
Damn, PL. That bitch start dropping. How you do that damn go up like that, then start dropping?
them companies that barely got $1 billion in market cap or just low bill, like, yeah, volume would take your shit all over the damn place. Like,
What's crazy is, bro, my shit dropped. Like the PL play, that bitch dropped buku hard. But this bitch
yeah,
still positive for the day, bro. Like the bitch under the what it did for the day, like type shit. But I ain't gonna lie though, the negative thing about it, when I first got in, that bitch had
mm-hmm,
moved up like $1, and I only got like $11 on the day. So I was confused because my delta was like $60. So I'm like, how the fuck I ain't catch my whole 60 if my shit went up $1? You feel me?
hmm,
So I went and did some research. That's the shit I sent, all the documents I sent y'all yesterday. That's why it was a lot of shit, because I was like, why the fuck am I up $1 and not up when my theta didn't hit? Vega is in my, everything is in my favor.
yeah,
You see what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah, yeah,
So what they said was I was paying a premium. You pay a premium when you get into something and people are unsure of what's gonna happen next. You feel me? So by them being unsure of what's gonna happen next, all the prices go up. type shit. Like everybody trying to sell for a high price. So now you had to get in from what they asking for type shit. So then when the stock go back up for the second time,
yeah,
that bitch, you're actually getting a cheaper price. So you were really supposed to wait for the breakout, then a pullback. And then when it start to break out the second time, that's when you get in plays because the option gonna be cheaper for some reason. Don't know why, but that's how it run. That's how that shit go.
yeah. Nigga definitely gotta have some kind of volume indicator or something on these damn stock charts because that shit matters. I mean, you don't really need it per se. You could look at the candles and kind of gauge what the volume looking like, but still, though, it's
Per
good to just
se,
have it visually to see it because they really go off of that. Like, if it ain't no volume, one, you ain't about to get no movement in the price, but also you ain't about to get no movement in your option.
per se, Your Honor, per se.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot what that was on. That boy say per se, Your Honor, per se.
Man, you ain't got no plugs on no hotels in New Orleans. Them niggas,
Hell,
them niggas taxing for Mardi Gras, which I already knew though. Ain't no surprise.
oh no, everybody tax. You know how that go.
Uh,
Everything bust.
they're like, bitch, I gotta stay in Chalmette to come out there.
Everything bust. I ain't. Let me see. Should I get in this gold, please?
Oh, that's another
Go,
thing I got
go
in
look
too.
at gold for me and tell me what you think.
I got in gold.
GLD.
Yeah, I just threw $100 in there. I ain't really like
What you mean?
I just put money in there. I ain't getting no option.
Like oh, you
I
bought
just bought.
GLD.
Yeah, I just bought GLD
Okay, young whippersnapper.
just put that money in there and just let it.
I wish I had some money to just put in some shit. But
Cause I ain't have it.
Walmart plan.
It's really I won't put it in Walmart, but I ain't have enough.
Nigga said, but Walmart plan. You need to get something like BBAI. BBAI need to do some more work with as far as like getting these. Well, right now they trying to work on getting their debt down like 100 million or something like that.
Yeah,
They dropping it to like 17 million, and they just working on different stuff right now.
yeah.
Trying to grow
But it's good to be a
stuff.
small company because any size contract gonna do numbers for your shareholder stock price. So we early on this shit. Big Bear and ET. Them niggas are still babies considered, to everybody else. Like these niggas market cap 2.6 billion. Baby market,
Everything busting.
even though it ain't what it is. Them niggas can't even build a data center. That shit costs.
BBAI, PL, Walmart. All right, Walmart. Come on, bitch.
Walmart doing all this crack over 1%.
Nothing. Stupid. Blowing it. What that bitch doing? I know it could
It's
jump
been
up.
closed all the way down there though. That's a good sign. Like I said, I'm looking at it like, damn, nigga, I didn't know it was gonna reject it that hard, but I was like, that probably would have been a great buying opportunity to buy at 110 flat, 110.50. That's some good ass buy, but you don't know just yet. Because Walmart's starting to look like a fucking meme stock. It's just, it's really moving.
Everybody go up to 115.
Niggas about to hit 112.
Niggas out here jealous because we be thugging with Death Row. They try to play. They can't take us down. We be
Yeah,
modding through the neighborhoods. Yeah.
this,
Oh, Lord.
yeah, this hoe is volatile, boy. This big bear AI shit, this shit here.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy.
I don't even want to look at this. I'm gonna take
I
this bitch out
really
my
did.
watch
Open my
list.
damn contract.
I'm about to go give me some Dutch Bros coffee. That
Go
shit
ahead,
better than the
Walmart.
stock.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Tastes way better than the stock right now.
You hear me? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do. Mm-mm. Come on, man. Let me in the play, man. I'm about to cry. Let me in, man. Let me in the door. Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all know y'all can let me in the door, man. I'm trying to pay what the last man paid. That's the last dollars I got. If I had more to offer, I would have gave it to
That nigga said if I had one on. Oh shit. You lying your ass out. A whole nother plate. 72 to 76. Barclays. Oh,
No, Walmart. No.
man.
Yeah, Walmart. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No.
This nigga scalping. That nigga scalping in 1 minute time frame.
No. No.
Let me see what AU doing. Is it taking my money or is it making my money? We are making down. That bitch way down here. 82. I'm about to say first. I need to push it drop down there. Straight dollar. 48 more minutes for this bitch to close. I'm trying to go close that hole.
Oh, man.
They already up on that bitch here. I mean,
No, Walmart. Walmart. A whole,
a whole hole.
whole for the day, bro. This is crazy.
Uh,
Might have get in GJ too. Matter of fact, while I'm playing, cause GJ in a beautiful spot to get some buys. That bitch, actually, the play that I made 2 weeks ago, whatever that was, that bitch never would have hit the stop loss. Still to this fucking day, bro. Crazy.
well, GJ.
Yes, nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, crazy, bro.
That bitch just in the range, man. It's a good area to buy those. Rejecting the bottom of that range. So
Let me see.
last night was a good area to buy.
GJ a fire buy still right now. I'm telling you, that bitch a perfect area.
Yeah, pre-London was the best time.
No, nigga, right now.
Then you had you had the free New York over. Niggas gotta get used to buying them bitches when it don't feel good. Like right now, it
Mm-hmm.
feel it
Feel it.
feel good to buy. You gotta buy when it don't feel good. That's when
Right,
you get them
right.
best positions. Like that
That's
bitch
why
selling
homie
off.
said
You be
you
wanting
talking
to
about
get it selling
reversal.
off now. Buy that shit.
That's why homie said you talking about reversal Wednesday, nigga. It's buy low Wednesday or something. Yeah,
Nah, for real. That'd be one of my favorites. I love to do that shit. When I see that
nigga
bitch
says entry Wednesday.
entering now, for real. For real. Entry Wednesday. Turnaround Tuesday.
Might fuck around and go buy some stock. My downside with this buying power since they take it tomorrow. taking all day to give me my shit. Just go buy a stock instead with my shit. Yeah, man. Let me in the stock.
What you trying to get?
Uh, um,
This nigga not
I was
getting
thinking about
insured.
PL for real.
Okay.
PL if I can. Probably PL for right now. For real, for real. I'm looking at all type of stuff, bro. To be honest, I ain't gonna lie. Look nice. Goddamn, but that bitch gotta do more. They just gotta do more. Like they gotta
Yeah,
figure
them niggas
some
need
stuff out.
they need some news to hit because them slow ass robots. Ain't nobody want that shit right now.
Right,
The
right.
stock
Probably
price
in
is
the
better
next
than
few
the robot.
years. Yeah, in the next few years, they probably be busting. Yeah,
Especially
Walmart.
them niggas only got 57 employees. Now that's a good thing. Market cap 700 million. They about to hit a B, and they only got 57 employees. That's fire. That's like real good. They must.
5,700.
They shouldn't be at no debt. Very little debt. Well,
Right,
I don't
right.
know. I know them robots ain't cheap, but with only 57 employees, even though
Damn.
if y'all got 57 employees and it's a robotics company, I bet you the cheapest payroll is probably the front desk accountant. She probably getting paid 50 a year. Everybody else getting 100, 180, because you paying them the fucking all these scientists and techs and shit. So you ain't got a lot of employees, but them bitches ain't cheap. That's for damn sure.
Oh, I was $1 under the last call. Still, that's why they ain't never picked my shit up. I put $1. My last dollar.
That nigga deposited $1 to get a play.
No, it's the dollar. My last buying power dollar.
Oh.
They don't. I put $100 in that bitch on Monday. They refused to give it to me. They talking about it's gonna be available on Friday. Bitch, by Friday it's gonna be too late. Bitch, I'm trying to do something
They probably
today,
gonna be
right
saving
now.
your ass. Fridays is
They
saving your
using
ass.
they using my money. No, they using my money to do some other shit.
Yeah, that's that bank shit. Be like, nigga, we could hold. All we need to show is 10% of your money on hand. The rest of that money, we go do whatever the fuck we want to it.
Bro, they ain't even give me that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Walmart. I'm down $19 on the day I'm about to close you, bitch.
Walmart did fight back though. That whole at 112. I ain't gonna
I
lie.
told you that been going to
Negative
115.
2%. That was a
I mean,
buy opportunity for sure, for sure.
I don't care what nobody said. That big got to slap 115, bro. At least by tomorrow, bro. Got to, bro. I'm just looking at the structure of this shit. Like, ain't no way that bitch went down. Went
Nigga,
up,
it's
my
Thursday
bad.
though.
That
Like
bitch
they got to
went
do
up.
it today. Oh
Nigga.
shit.
Oh, all right, my fault.
Walmart got to do that today, not tomorrow, nigga. Tomorrow,
But nah,
Friday.
the volume that it got now, it should.
Yeah, with that
Cause
sweep that it just did, like
go look at what it just did just now. This bitch about to go sweep the whole. Yeah, it just dropped.
yeah. It
Everything it
already
just
swept the
gave, it
lows,
took.
but now it's about to
Everything
go back up.
right. Everything it took is giving it
Sweep.
back, and it's about
One.
to go do more in the next couple of hours if it could hold up.
Yeah,
All
that'd be
nigga
crazy.
need that bit to do it, hold up.
The last
Damn,
biggest
US
hourly
30 is
gain
busting.
was from 112 to 114. And this was 112 pretty much flat to 114 high. So right now we come from 111. Yeah,
German 30 is
that's
busting.
gonna be a stretch, but it possibly can do it. I give it $3 if anything. So it's now 115, 114. But it got to do that today because
Yeah, bro, that's what I'm
tomorrow
saying. This bitch
Friday.
got to do it right now, bro. That bitch
Mm-hmm.
can't play around. Like within the next hour, this bitch got to get to 114. You know what I mean? By 10 o'clock. I'm coming that bitch blazing. It's gonna be a problem.
Microsoft faces a lawsuit from Elon Musk claiming OpenAI strayed from its mission for profit. A jury trial is set for March, focusing on alleged financial conspiracies with Microsoft. What the fuck? This nigga.
Everything bust.
Proposed data center project near Grand Rapids, Michigan. A plan is
Yeah,
over environmental infrastructure impact. Yeah, Microsoft tripping.
y'all some hoes for not opening my contract.
And niggas trying to build a data center by Grand Rapids, Michigan. Like, I said, we're gonna use the water off of this fucking dam to power the AI data center.
Bro, they down bad, bro. They gotta do wire transfers. Cool fast shit. Do a wire transfer. Get your ass up.
Yeah. So some of these niggas getting sued.
Fuck Walmart.
Emission
Driving that bitch.
How the fuck he
Hey, you about to start busting too. That bitch about to look like it about to come back for vengeance.
I got you. The left and ours is on. Huh. I forgot he was with OpenAI co-founder. This nigga's
Damn, bro. I don't need that bitch. I need that bitch to break through here like it's nothing. Like AU trying to do. I need you to have more AU tendencies right now. Don't be you. Be better. Nigga say don't be yourself. Be better than yourself.
Nigga gotta encourage these companies, boy.
Don't do you. Do what the better you would do. We don't want to see you.
We want to
see the best version of you. Yes, exactly. You understand. You get it. They should get it too.
Oh, man. Be like the Walmart of November 2025.
Yes. Be who we need you to be. Be our Superman. Be our hero. Yes, that is the energy we need right there. The shit you doing right now. That keep going. Don't stop, nigga. Just because I'm talking, nigga. Come on.
That's funny.
This from now on. That's how you shoot.
That's how you shoot.
You feel me? That's what we need from you, brother. My brother in Christ. Come on. Oh man. BBAI busting. The other play they ain't want to give me my call in busting. Yeah, man. You know what's not busting? My damn my buying power. They about to make me go do a wire transfer.
Call a bank.
Yeah, bro. I see y'all took my money out of my account. I'm trying to figure out why it's not over where it's supposed to be at. Cause it's out my account. I can't touch it in here. So why I can't touch it
Who
in there
got
either, y'all? Who?
it? Who got it?
Somebody let me know something.
Who got my money, man?
Please, somebody let me know something. Now I'm gonna call back tomorrow.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna call back tomorrow. I'm gonna check. Hopefully, I got an answer
And
for
shit, fuck. This is ridiculous.
me. Shit in limbo like I'll be hating that shit, bro. But I know it's not like in limbo,
Not
like them niggas really got it. It's just, you ain't
I
got it.
talked to the pastor.
6680, 6699. So
Damn, bro. He
20 pips
refused to
away
give
from people.
it to me for what the last nigga paid. If I can't get it for what the last nigga paid, I don't want it. Straight up. Straight like that.
6729,
I
67.
could get a further out the money card.
So another 20, 60, 680. Okay. This shit need to drop.
Gamble gonna slap my ass if I get it
We
in
need AU
anyway.
to drop from 20 pips away from take profit, and
Let's just cancel this play.
I
Fuck it.
guess smash
They ain't
AU
trying
this
to put me in. They ain't trying to get me in there.
week.
Cancel it. Cancel it. Said it full time. Cancel.
Cancel that.
Cancel. Don't worry about it. Just
Rich
give me
Tech
this
and
call right here.
NVIDIA is using NVIDIA technology to accelerate DEX training across diverse industrial and commercial contexts.
There
They
we
don't
go.
know
Now
y'all
I'm in the
using them.
call.
I
Now
bet
I'm in the
you
call. I
NVIDIA
had to
don't
get a
have y'all
deeper
name on it.
contract.
That is right, NVIDIA Jetson Thor. Jetson Thor.
Slapped the hell out of Walmart.
You know, I was there to pull up on it, bro.
Hoping my largest holdings are worthy of achieving at least 200 to 500 this year. Nah, for real.
Rich Tech.
Tensions just escalated fast. Cuban President Miguel Diaz delivered a stark warning aimed directly at the United States, declaring that Cuba is prepared to give even our blood, even our own lives in defense of Venezuela. And unusually, boy, y'all a little bit ass country.
How
But
about to say?
in an unusually aggressive statement, Diaz, not talking shit, but I'm gonna speak on this in a second. Diaz-Canel vowed that America would pay a very heavy price, framing the conflict as one that justifies total sacrifice. The rhetoric signals a dangerous hardening of alliances and raises serious concerns about how far regional powers are willing to go as Venezuela remains at the center of global confrontation. Words like these are diplomatic, they're combustible. The world is watching closely. The thing about it is, from that video I sent y'all, I think I sent the last one.
Yeah.
Dude was saying, I think no, Wall Street Trapper. He was saying when you really think about it, you look at it from a different perspective. Like them boys, really like bullied. I mean, no, Venezuela. We put them on how to change their oil. Turn all that thick oil that they have into
Mm-hmm.
like usable oil.
Yeah,
So
cool.
they wasn't able to do that without us type shit. So
Mm-hmm.
now they trying to go sell their oil to somebody else that the dollar not backing. So the United States like, hold on, bitch, we put you on. How you about to go, sell this oil to somebody that's not backed by our dollar?
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? So that's really
Mm.
that's what Wall Street Trapper brought about. What he was saying.
I think it's a Bitcoin play.
And oh yeah, that was
Them
something
niggas
as
going
well.
after that Bitcoin. Them boys got
That's another
double
play.
our reserves.
hmm Yeah, and if we was to get the boys Bitcoin, we'll be able to back our money by Bitcoin. People saying, well, we don't know if we have the gold that we saying we have. That's why they don't want to back our money by gold like every other
Facts.
country.
Facts.
Because they
I
don't
wouldn't
know if we
believe
even
it
got
either.
that much gold.
I would highly doubt it. Them niggas,
Damn.
they went out the gold
Walmart,
standard
what
in the
you talking
70s. So I would highly doubt it that we don't have the gold that we say.
everything busting. Everything.
PL. That PL company, that's Planet Labs.
PL. Yeah. That's my bitch. Damn.
Revenue, stability,
134.
development deals. For this guy, 7.1 B's. Daily data insights about Earth. Offers a web geo platform and satellite data available and foundational analytics to derive insights and make decisions. AI powered Earth.
Oh,
I
man.
like, yeah,
What you
I like
doing,
the
bitch?
next generation monitoring satellite for planet redefined and can be explored in the project better accessibility.
Put an alert on Walmart. Fuck this. This
Man,
bitch,
it'll drive you crazy, son.
this bitch playing.
Don't let it drive you crazy. What's this shit cost? Subscription.
Ew. Man, my sister just said her patient had a dildo up him for 3 days.
What?
My patient today been having a dildo up him for 3 days. She said, I gotta get the fuck up out of here.
Bro, what the hell? Was she working ER?
Oh my God. I don't know, but that's crazy. Nigga
Damn.
said she had to go. It was a lady. Oh my God. Chris, Lil Joe removed Krista from the conversation. My little brother removed her from the group. He said, don't even trip, y'all.
Nah, big facts.
He
That's
said, don't even
definitely
trip,
cross
y'all. She
for a
had to
move.
go.
Nah, talk. Everybody need to know all that. Nigga, text me that.
She did. That's the whole key. He put her out the group for texting us that shit. Nigga said, brother, don't trip, y'all. She had to go. Because why are you sending us a picture of this lady with a dildo in her body?
Wait, oh, she sent the picture? Oh, yeah, you definitely gotta go.
The x-ray of the dildo sitting in this
Yeah,
lady
no,
body.
fam, I'm good. I'll holler at you later, bruh.
Nigga kicked her out the group.
Yeah, facts. That's a good way to get kicked out, though.
Oh my God. Nigga,
That is a good way to get kicked out.
get her out of here. This nigga is stupid.
What the hell do these niggas Dude,
Boy, Walmart some trash.
this damn company real interesting, boy. At
What,
PL,
what
that you,
Walmart doing is real interesting.
oh man, Walmart being Walmart, nigga. It's the end of the week.
Nigga said this is real interesting, Walmart. Some whole ass shit you doing right here, my boy. Should I just get out now? What you planning on doing? You got to the end of this hour to show me something. You got till 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I was.
Not 10:15, not
That's what
10:30.
that's what I would do with all stocks, nigga.
This been
You got
breaking lows again.
what time frame you looking at?
Not nothing big. I'm just saying
Oh,
I'm on even on the 15 minute. It never. I'm looking at how it fucking on the 50 EMA.
mm-hmm.
That bit tried. It went straight to it, and now it's rejecting it. Let this 15 minute close and see if it fully rejected or what. Or is it gonna break through? But it gotta really. In this next 15 minutes, nigga should know something. Nigga should know something. Something.
See what the Fib's talking about. Fibonacci's.
Just be patient, basically. Patience pays is what they say. That's what they told me. That's what they had told me.
Well, you say your that bitch expire on the 16th next week.
Yeah, I guess so. Next Friday. That's what I was saying. Nigga got that close ass contract. I should have just closed that bit. I was up 100. I ain't think. I was just like, it's the next day, bro. The first 15 minutes, that bit dropped like $2 yesterday. It was crazy. The first 15 minutes, you didn't see that?
Fuck no.
Boy, Walmart did a nigga dirty yesterday, bro. Go look at the 15-minute chart, how that bit opened up. First 30 minutes, that bit dropped. Let me see.
Oh, I see it on
The
Wednesday.
bit dropped from 114. In the
All the
first
way
15
down to
minutes,
112.
dropped. Shit, yeah, bro. Yeah, that bit dropped from 114.70 to 112.09 in 30 minutes.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That's what I'm saying. This shit doing dumb shit like this bit being janky. Yeah, ain't about playing with this bitch, bro. Ain't got
They
time
didn't
for
mean
this
to
shit,
do that.
dog. Ain't got
Yes, they
time for this
did.
shit, Walmart, bitch. I was just down $13. Now I'm down 33. Yeah, about to Medea this month.
Hmm.
Oh, shit.
That ain't got no more news. No more news. The news today for the dollar was not good,
Wait,
but
it was a dude? A dude had a dildo.
that's what I thought you said at first. You said he.
Yeah. She never. Oh, yeah, it is him. Up him for 3 days.
That is New Orleans.
Him and his boyfriend been trying to get it out using the.
Hold up, bro. Wait. Man, that conversation for later. We talking about the markets right now. Damn.
Oh my god.
Please.
I'm sorry, bro. This is what I'm reading right
I
now.
know.
It's 9:30 in the morning.
With that, I was watching some video. It was like, I think Trap said that. He was like, yeah, man, if people are throwing you off your game or just being negative, you got to let them go. You got to delete them.
That's why a nigga kicked her out the group.
Facts. Oh my
Somebody else let her back in.
God.
Travesty. She back talking.
She must have apologized. My bad, y'all. I meant to send this to
Mm-hmm.
my supervisor, stupid ass.
Man, I should have took out the being down -13. I could have used that buying power for something that's busting. Let me see. What was busting? BBAI or something. Fuck.
something.
Something.
But yeah, I like that PL, bro. I'm gonna have to look more into that. I just like I want to see what the fuck they do, like what they technology gonna be used for. Cause it seems intriguing. With satellites in the sky,
Satellites.
looking at the Earth.
Damn, PL played me though. This bitch was up. This bitch driving today.
Yeah, it's at that high.
Type of
That
drive.
bitch
Oh yeah, it's at all time high
is
though.
at
For
all
sure, for
time
sure.
high. So that's
BBAI dropping too though.
yeah,
Stupid. Goof ass shit today. RR went to the top and dropped again. Ain't nothing really breaking. Them bitches
mm-hmm.
just pushing to them highs though. That's a good sign though.
This
Got
time
some
we got
good
like a break.
signs going on for them bitches. About to slap the shit out of Walmart.
It's considered like the first week. Roughly. Yeah, it's the first full week of the year, so we gotta put that in consideration.
Like on PL today, for some reason, I'm down to about to be like 2 pennies, right? But I'm
Mm-hmm.
still up 47 on the day. It's like some type of way the volatility or something caught up. The
Yeah,
gamma must have caught up with. But like the first couple days, I'm basically nigga making up for all of the money I guess I lost type shit.
right.
Like from when it wasn't when it was moving and I wasn't making nothing type shit.
I ain't gonna lie, a nigga want to go short on something. I want to see what that with it, how that feel.
Shit.
Or, like on
Uh,
Netflix or something, like
like
short
I was just
something.
about to say, them same cars y'all thought was buying, like Netflix. Go sell that bitch.
Netflix, fucking Oracle,
Oracle still selling hard.
Microsoft, like all that shit. Shut all
Oracle selling hard today.
that. Yeah, bro.
Man, might as well, bro. Oracle is the move with the sell.
AVGO, even though they a
That
real
been
good
down
company.
3%. ARM down 3%.
Everything down. Video down, 1.5.
I wouldn't say everything, but my shit green. Looking at a bunch of stocks that's green today.
You probably you got a way different
Yeah, I
watch
got
list.
all type of shit though. But nah, even US 30 stocks, them bitches busting. Johnson and Johnson, oh, like Wall Street Trapper said, get into Chevron. Chevron busting.
That's what I wanted to look at. Them oil companies.
Chevron is doing its thing. Disney is up. Coca-Cola is up. Dow Inc. is up 2.6%. Let's see who's up the biggest. I think Dow Inc. 2.6. Home Depot up 2.8%. Uh, Coca-Cola 2.2%. It's them tech stocks that's down. Costco is up
Yeah,
5%.
what companies
Yeah,
great.
yeah. Costco up 5%, bro. Them bitches up $46 today.
Damn.
Damn. I said damn with you and I read it.
No, for real.
I think I'm the one that told
Costco.
you.
Damn.
That bitch busting.
That mean Walmart is right around the corner. Like that's all that.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of Walmart.
For real.
Walmart ain't
That was just a
Costco
dip.
apparently.
That was a dip.
Nigga said Walmart ain't Costco apparently.
No, it ain't. That's
Costco
why we
worth
got
nine
Sam.
hundred something dollars.
Damn, that's crazy.
Costco worth
That's
some
crazy.
money.
I wonder if Sam's got their own ticker, or they just roll that all under Walmart.
Facts. Probably just rolling under Walmart, brother.
The companies are great
Walmart
to
ain't having
invest
that.
into for
Damn.
oil production and refinery.
Probably should have gotten it this US 30 play. This bitch busting. Let's see. SPX. Gold about to bust too. Alright, fuck it. Let's get in.
I'm about to ask ChatGPT to see what companies a nigga could look into for drilling, production, and refinery for oil. Even though I think SLB gonna be one. It said the big integrated oil majors are, of course, Exxon, Chevron, and ConocoPhillips. So that's XOM, CVX, and COP for the stocks. Pure play production and drilling. These companies focus on finding and producing oil and gas. Less integrated refining, so they just drill. It's Diamondback Energy, EQT Corp, and Baker Hughes. I heard of that before. Refining and marketing downstream, refiners can benefit when oil prices differentials widen and margins improve. They process crude into fuel. Valero Energy, Marathon Petroleum, Phillips 66, and HF Sinclair. Oilfield services. These companies sell equipment and services used by producers and drillers. And that's your Schlumberger, Halliburton, and Oil States International. So there you go. Those are your oil plays right there. So you could get into the services. You could sell a shovel. You could get into the refining, the people who processing the oil and making that shit into fuel. Or you could get into the people that's drilling the shit. That's all they do. They just getting the shit out the ground. Or you could play with the big boys and they do everything. They do their own drilling, their own refiner, and their own market. I'm about to run through them right quick, see what they're looking like, see if anything sticks out as far as technicals go. Let's see XOL. Right quick. XOL. Exxon Mobil with a nice little 1%, 1.5% gain. I probably should add these just to the watch list since like it's about to be an oil driven year. Due to improved prices amid oversupply and tariff concerns. That's all news. So we got Exxon, Chevron, CVX. What they talking about? Chevron. Same thing. They filled in the gap though. Did Exxon? Chevron is in talks with the U.S. to expand its license in Venezuela, boosting crude exports. The company is also eyeing a $22 billion bid for Luke oil assets amid stock volatility. What's up? Trying to spend that bread, buying other companies. Chevron might be a good one. Do they pay dividends? Yes, they do. 4%. Nice. Chevron is a buy and hold. You ain't gonna make shit out the year though. 6%. You go. Chevron is a beat inflation play. Simple as that. COP. ConocoPhillips. They all look the same. Conoco, Chevron, Exxon. ConocoPhillips will join a White House meeting with President Trump and oil executives to discuss boosting oil production in Venezuela after the U.S. captured Nicolas Maduro. So ConocoPhillips is a play. They're throwing 3.5 dividends out.
Damn, Walmart blowing it. I think Walmart gonna blow it, bro.
FANG. What is back down to Negative 1%.
111.5.
Yeah.
0.4. Still,
Yeah.
blind, son. It's that bullshit, dog.
Bang.
That
Diamondback
bit
energy.
dropping hard on the 5 minute for some reason. That bit don't want to go up. When they letting Costco beat their ass. I don't
Mm-hmm.
understand.
Yeah, Costco. It's a
You gonna let Costco win?
whole different situation. Costco is better than Sam's, though. I heard, so it kind of is beating Walmart. Far from the customer. But everybody can't go to Costco though, so that's the only downfall. Everybody go to Walmart. Bang. Energy companies fall as crude prices drop amid supply concerns and Venezuelan uncertainty. What do they do? I think we just acquisition, exploration. So they drill. Drill, baby, drill.
Burn, baby, burn.
Let's see. EQT Corporation. That is down 1%. Market
Mm,
cap,
mm.
dividend yield. EQT acquires a 76,000 square foot industrial property in California for $51 million. Yeah, these niggas about to build their own data center for yourself. What that got to do with that? Natural gas. Man, the company was founded in 1888.
Who's that?
Damn. This EQT is down. It's one of the oil people. What they do? Refining. No. Drilling.
Boy, I had to just remind myself to breathe. I'm sorry. Go ahead. What you were
Right.
saying?
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
a breathing company.
Yeah. You gotta step outside with the birds, man. They're gonna help
Something.
you. EQT Corporation, natural gas. They do drilling and shit, but that's crazy. Them niggas old as cheese.
Mm.
Fucking 1888. Bitch. Them niggas started when America started, stupid. These niggas been
Man,
here. BKR. Let's see what they're talking about. I'm looking for like some good ass charts, man. All these niggas charts, that shit is fun.
damn. Well, I'm having a shit day on stocks. Fuck.
Walmart back down
At Walmart, blood.
1.2%.
Basically.
Yeah, all my shit red, brother. I ain't got nothing. The only thing green is the two plays I'm in, luckily. Big Bear and ET. Everything else red.
AP going crazy.
Mm. Jason Hughes.
SLB doing this thing too. Let me see.
Mm.
Nigga bought a SLB contract for $14.
I think G and SLB too. Both of y'all niggas in that shit. Slumberger, head ass. 489. 1%. Baker Hughes don't look bad. I'm gonna keep it G. They've been on a nice run since COVID. No bearish structure. That might not be a bad one to look into for drilling. Might not be. I'm gonna add them to the watch list. That's how you get added on the watch list. have good technicals.
What's crazy is shit, are up 18 cents and that bitch up 5%.
Damn.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro.
That's that
That's
rich tech.
why. Yeah, Rich Tech Robot, that bitch up 17 cents, but it's up 5%. That's crazy. I mean, that bitch ain't worth nothing.
Even though I really don't care for that company too much, but I'm gonna watch it. I think a company like that, for me personally, I don't think they got a lot of upside as far as a company, but I think they could definitely get bought out by Tesla or SpaceX or some shit like that. Like a larger company will buy them out and use their technology. Because them robots too slow, fam. It's 2026. We gotta speed this shit up. Man, I could hire a human way faster than that, bitch.
Oh,
Trying to
shit.
replace
Yeah.
these niggas. All right, refining. Let's see what.
Everything really, boy. It's Reversal Thursday, boy. This is crazy.
Yeah, look.
Fake buys and then shit just selling.
Yeah, look. Yeah, if it ain't gonna do shit by 10:30, 11, that's it. Because that's lunchtime. We gotta wait for tomorrow.
Yeah, my buying power hit. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah,
say
man.
that shit for Sunday. Damn, Valero pop. Valero Corporation imports 135 barrels of Venezuela crude oil daily, with 40% for its use as as competition with refiners like Shell. All right, Valero Energy is a great one. Its charts look amazing.
Hmm.
Market cap 55, 2% yield, 1.2%, 1.2 billion for the year.
Don't do me like this.
49 for the year. Yeah, whatever. Some other people really want to try. Even though that shit high as fuck.
Not for real, well, I'm about to call my mama because you get blown. Mama gonna get you.
And they kind of really hovering at that 111. 111.3.
I'm about to call my people on you. We was just bored.
Shutting
We was
down.
nigga said we call it. We was just bullshitting Thursday.
We were just bullshit.
We was just bullshitting. That's all I'm saying. We was just bullshitting dirty. Next time.
Next time, I got you next week. I got you next week. I have to go do something right quick.
That's what I'm saying. Boo Coop, I got you later. Here.
Marathon Petroleum Corporation. Marathon shares rose 3% in pre-market trading after U.S. energy.
Yeah, it's over for us on Walmart. This is about a tank, bro.
Announced plans
Probably at a splash.
to resume Venezuela oil imports potentially benefiting U.S. oil funds.
At least based off this market structure it's giving right now. Not looking good. I'm gonna be cool. I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna sit in the motherfucker and lose my money, but I'm just saying.
Man, like I said, as long
I'm
as the
just saying.
4
This
hour,
bullshit here. I'm looking at this 30 minute, bro.
that
Look
one
at it.
too.
Go look at this 30-minute chart, bro. This bitch look bad, brother. I
All
ain't
you
trying
need
to
to do is
call it.
draw a horizontal line on 110.5 and just monitor that. As long as you don't get no closes under that, you should be straight.
It's in a demand level right now, though. I need that bitch to not be trying to close out in the demand area. Like, nigga, you need to be trying to bounce up from there. It should be hot around 1095. 1095, that bitch should be getting hot around here, brother.
Christmas Eve lows is trying to attack.
Let me see. I'm about to put a little box right here so I can see the price. The bitch broke through the bottom of that order block, but it came back at 1050. Made a quick little order block. It should bounce up from around this area, bro, because I just created a little demand level.
Yeah.
That bitch should not be trying to go back into the demand level. At least not close into it. So it closed into it.
That's what you
when
don't want. You don't want no close.
It closed into it once, but then it popped back up. So now I'm about to see it's going. It's trying to go back
on
towards
the 30-minute.
Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Go back to it. Now on the 15-minute. 15-minute bitch closed. On the 30-minute, it went in and then came back. Dipped in, dipped out.
FPC, Maritime
We should get a straight
Petroleum
up
Corporation.
push from here. Straight up push from here. We shouldn't even see no downside. Fuck.
Phillips 66. PSX.
Philip J. Fry.
Yeah, they got a big dumbass chart with a gap. It don't look like it's going to be filled, but if it does, I want to see it. Phillips 66 has shut its 139,000 barrel per day Los Angeles refinery, tightening jet fuel supply on U.S. West Coast, already affected by ongoing refinery issues. Okay. Stay away from y'all till y'all figure y'all shit out. Y'all over there shutting shit down.
I said, okay.
Nah, for real.
Okay. From
Yeah,
around here.
shutting shit down, but then talk about rebuilding something else. Something like that. That shit's so funny how these companies were started in the 1800s. Headquartered in Houston, Texas. Phillips 66, 1875. The niggas was
P.
pulling oil with a stick out the ground. Old school method.
Damn. US 30 bust. I told you I should have gotten that fucking buy. Boy, that bitch crazy just now. I don't know why US 30 going crazy like that.
Shit, that sector. All the companies in that sector doing good. Like you said, the tech stock's getting hit like a motherfucker right now. Ain't nobody fucking with tech.
Oh, yeah.
Tech gotta wait until that money that the government printing flow into their pockets, and then they gonna start, saying like, "Oh, we partnering with this," or "Oh, we buying this company out." Then them stocks gonna start running. I don't think tech stocks usually be having a good first quarter though, right? Don't they kind of like they don't start popping until March, April and shit? I could be wrong. I thought it was like the other shit, like the consumer cyclicals and the oil and gas and all that shit used to have a good first year. I mean, the first quarter. All that tech kind of died out. We're going to see. Let's see what else we got on the list. HF St. Clair, Par Pacific Holdings. Dino. This thing stock name. HF St. Clair Corporation. Oh, yeah, y'all got a lot of upside potential, but it is going down. That's why y'all dividend yield so high. Y'all trying to attract investors. Like, come fuck with us right quick, y'all. We give you 4% on your money. Fuck that shit right now. Headquartered in Dallas. H.F. Sinclair. Manufacturer sale price, gasoline, diesel fuel, jet fuel. Alright. Nothing don't want to see. Let's see PAR. PARR. A little cheaper. Market cap a little lower. It said no dividend. I don't need that. Headquartered in Houston. Founded in 84. Not bad, not bad. What else we got? Oil field service. We already know SLB. Let's see what Halliburton talking about. HAL. Halliburton. I like Halliburton. Halliburton, Schlumberger. $6.4 billion. 2.2 dividend. Yeah, I like Halliburton. I'm gonna add them to the list. Halliburton looks good. What's up, brother? I got Scully in this bitch.
What's up, fellas?
Ain't
What's
nothing.
poppin'?
I already know. NFP tomorrow?
NFP tomorrow. But I don't think it's gonna help the tech stocks. Walmart probably saying like, man, we should have went back to them Dow Jones. They said this NASDAQ shit cap. But yeah, we got what you call
That's how it be, bro. When you go from the G League to the fucking NBA,
yeah.
competition a little different, so they
Can't do
adjusted.
them no look passes no more. Nigga catching all that shit. Oil. Oil States International. Damn. Okay. Okay. Sounds like a line. Market cap 460 million. No dividends. 40% on the year. Subsea production infrastructure sector. Military. Houston, 1995 headquarters. Huh. Got to keep an eye on them. Oil States International. They got a nice technicals.
Yeah, huh? You don't say.
You don't see. They actually, damn. What the fuck is that up? That nigga's been selling off like a son bitch and been consolidated since 2020. And are primed for a breakout. This one might be a fire one, bro. Oil States International. We'll keep that on the watch list.
Go a little bit pissing me off.
Gold? Yeah, man. I
This
ain't
bitch don't
gonna
know
lie.
what it want to do right now, bro.
I
This
got
bitch just
into
keep going
that
up and down,
gold.
up and down, up and down.
I got into that damn gold ETF. I'm like, bro, as soon as a nigga got into that bitch went down. I'm glad I ain't getting the silver. Silver was down more.
Shit's stupid, bro. I swear, like it's on a dumb ass uptrend, but that bitch keeps zigging and zagging, zig, 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 zig. Bitch, come on, go, stupid dumb bitch.
Yeah, that's how you gotta
A
talk to
drop,
this one.
like a drop.
That's how you gotta talk to this. For sure, gonna respect you.
For real, bro. Like that should be pissing me off, stupid bitch.
Oh man, what you in?
I don't want to choose the
You
fucking
got
direction.
gold for real, or you bought like the futures?
I'm in a crack.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to leave that hoe alone. That bitch get on my nerves. I'm gonna shoot that bitch.
Man, I'm sure to just talk to her, figure it out, see what the problem is.
Talking is overrated.
Mm.
No, shit get done. Gotta start beating the bitch.
Yo. It's only the pimp hand being used.
My
PTEN.
pimp hand strong.
No, for real. PTEN.
UJ trying to bust.
Yeah. Patterson UTI Energy on the NASDAQ. Drilling
Alright, Walmart.
activity.
You got one last chance.
Market cap 2-point-something billion. Dividend. Damn, 4.8 dividend? All right, who the fuck is these niggas? Patterson? You hear me? With the 5% on a day?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for real. It's about to be a breakout, yeah. Engaging in the provision of drilling and pressure pumping services, directional drilling, rental equipment, and technology. Based out of Houston. But Houston, I'm about to move to Houston.
Everybody move.
I'm about to move to Houston. I'm gonna find me a chick that work in oil and gas.
Done.
Badass bitch.
Nigga.
And drilling. Work for Patterson UTI Energy. I'm like, I need some common stock.
What I'm about to do is take all this money that I was about to get in there, put in the Airbnb, and just wire it into my account. You heard me? And then by the time 2 weeks when the Airbnb I gotta pay for it, I should have about $2 grand. You heard me?
What you getting Airbnb for?
New York Fashion Week, man. I'm gonna do photography.
Oh yeah, you going out there?
Yeah, bro. It's the first time doing this shit. This shit should be cool.
First time
should
in New York?
No. The Fashion Week. Never did Fashion Week before, you know.
That's fine.
First time about to go do photography. You never been to New York?
Fuck no. Well, I've been to Cali 3 times, but never been to New York.
I've
been to the West Coast.
I've been to Cali a few times, but I've been like more up north Cali.
No, I went to San Diego, Los Angeles, the Bay.
I never did all that.
I went everywhere, every poppin' city in Cali. But yeah, only East Coast place I've been to was Chicago. I haven't gone a lot of East Coast.
Why you don't travel? Like, you just never made
I just never, like, once I got into the my studio career, like I was so engulfed into that, like I just didn't even look at traveling the same. I was just like money, record. But I ain't really start traveling once I got into like my past 2 relationships and shit, traveling with them.
Right.
And on my own with my partners and shit. But I got a lot of places I want to go to though.
Yeah. You know what I was just thinking about going, bro?
I'm gonna pay for all that shit.
Canada. I want to go to Canada, bro, because like I've been to Mexico. Nobody ever wants to go to Canada.
Yeah,
it's right there. It should be cheap.
It's not cheap.
It's another country.
Depending on where you go, I know certain places in Canada they experiencing a worse real estate situation than we got as far as like rent high. Like you go drop a bag in Canada, but
I still want to go. Like I heard,
definitely,
it's pretty beautiful. There's like a lot of like mountains and trees
and fucking Ontario.
Ontario is what I'm thinking about. Is the only place
that's
I got
like
in my head.
They said New York. That resembles New York a lot. Ontario, downtown Ontario.
Where that boy Drake from?
Damn, not Ontario.
No, from the other big cities.
I be thinking the only thing got my Ontario, Quebec, and
I forgot what that thing from.
Cause I be
You know,
watching
it's one of the biggest cities, so I don't know how. I don't know.
Yeah, Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah.
Fuck, we got a basketball team with them.
Nah.
That's why I'm like, we should definitely know what
Nah,
fucking.
that's what I'm about to say. I'm like, oh yeah, what the nigga from? Toronto. So yeah, that was a good little breakdown on these the oil sector.
Yeah, bro. US said they feel played. You heard me. They said that y'all playing them games. All right, we gonna take y'all president and your Bitcoin. You know,
Yep.
other countries feel played because Cuba feel played because US doing that. Taiwan going over there and attacking China. I mean, China going over there and attack Taiwan. Taiwan look like, and they gonna want they been wanting Taiwan land. You feel me?
Taiwan don't want no smoke.
But
Leave us alone.
yeah, Taiwan like a sovereign nation. You know what I'm saying? Taiwan just trying to chill. But by us making the moves on Venezuela, China gonna probably be like, look, you know, y'all making moves, all right, we gonna make our moves too. You know what I'm saying? So they making move on Taiwan. So now you heard
Are
me.
they really making a move on Taiwan like as we speak?
That's the move. That's what we, you know, that's what's talked about. I don't know what's happening, you know, per se type shit.
I know a
But
nigga asked, did we start World War III by going in Venezuela? Like,
bruh,
nah, we didn't
because
start
what I'm
World War
thinking
III, but
about,
it was like if Taiwan get fucked with and we try to go to their defense, that's probably gonna start World War III.
yeah, most definitely. Because you gotta think, bro. Niggas want land, more
They
you know,
do all of the wafer chips, like the
more taxes.
for a damn AI chip to be created. The Taiwan Semiconductor is the first step, and they provide, I want to say, 80% for all chips in the world. So that's the move. It's like, yeah, the land too, but damn that nigga, we want the TSM. We want to take control of, like, that is Taiwan. That company runs Taiwan.
They
So
got a
like,
chip.
yeah, TSM. I took that shit off my list. I need to add it back on. Taiwan Semiconductor. They are like the base for chip manufacturing. So like people like Nvidia, Intel. I don't know about Intel. I think Intel do their own shit. But other companies use TSM to even make their chips. Like it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like you got to get sugar to make a cake. So you got to go to the
Yeah.
sugar factory to make a cake before you can make the damn cake. So they in a real good position, but they don't want no smoke. They just want to make their chips and go home. Like, but now, you know, people like, nah, if you gonna make some chips, nigga, we need exclusive rights to all that shit. Don't even sell it nowhere else.
And now that I'm looking at this shit too, not to change the subject, I'm gonna come right back. But bro, we got lucky on that Walmart play, dog.
Boy,
Like you
that was
gotta
luck. That was, I don't believe in luck, but if I did, that was
that was
luck.
luck, bro. Like, cause you gotta really like I said, I made that 100%, boy. You gotta get out. You make that quick 75. My bad, not 100. Made it quick like 75% because I paid like 160 for the contract and I was up 114. So I'm up like, you know, 70-80% on the contract, 75% at the least. Boy, you make
You know what I was
75%,
gonna
50 to
say.
100%, you get the hell out. If that bitch come back down to 50% after you up 70 something, get out. You
That's
know what I'm saying?
why.
That make no sense to be trying
That's
to
why I didn't want
hold
to.
and see.
That's why I was mad that was our first play. Like I ain't. I mean, I'm glad that we had a
Cause
fun
now I'm
time on it,
looking
but
for that, right?
exactly, I did not want the first play to be like fucking 700% gain. Like damn, nigga.
Yes,
Like now
right.
it's like okay,
No,
everything's supposed to
that's
at
not
least
how
give
it
me
works.
200% since this gave me 700. Like
Right. I'm looking for 200 at least every time, but no, indeed, no.
nah,
Professionals look for 50% to 100%. Chat GPT said
yeah,
50% to 100%. If you get anything over there, you know what I'm saying? You got lucky. You might want to just take your earnings and just get a new contract. You know
yeah,
what I'm saying?
yeah.
In my mind, you get a new contract, you're gonna pay cheaper for it. Then because if you get out right, you get out to play, and then like you getting out at a high. You notice a high. That bitch pull back. Once that bitch pull back, you just get back in at the pullback, the low where it look dangerous to get in that bit. Like you said, get in that bit at the low. Niggas gonna be selling them contracts. Oh, that bit turn around. Ling 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 ling. They're gonna be in a casino on there. Ling 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 ling. You hear me? Cause you like on Walmart, for example, right? Say if I would have waited until this bitch made the low today, like not yesterday, but today, waited for that low all the way at that fucking 110, then get in that 110 after I made the 100. You see what I'm saying? Now I made 100. Now I get back in at 110. I'll be up like 50, 100 right now because it's at 112. I'll be up 100.
That's the only thing a nigga don't know though. That's the
But
only
the
thing
thing
you don't
about it
know.
is you don't know, but
You
the
don't.
key of the matter is you have a better chance if you take money out at the high, and then if you see it pull back, you just
Yeah.
get back
Yeah.
in at the pullback at the low. Most likely this shit not just gonna keep dropping. I don't give a fuck what you're looking at, especially when you're looking at Walmart. This shit not gonna keep dropping, bro. You know it's just fluctuating so motherfuckers can get more entries. You gotta know what you're looking at and who you're dealing with. Yeah, Netflix might keep dropping. Walmart is not about to keep dropping, bro. So when you get out at that high, you know you just waiting for the pullback. So once that bitch pulled back dangerously, what from 114 to 110, that's $4. That bitch did that in 2 days. Why not get in at 110? That's $4 and at least try and risk only the 100. Don't risk what you put in. You see what I'm
Right.
saying? Risk the one like I put 160 into the play. Risk
Mm-hmm.
another 160. Don't risk the whole 260 type shit.
Right.
Cause now I'm risking 260 because I was up 100. So now I feel like I got 260 in that bitch. You feel me? So now I'm down. You feel me?
Nah, for
Type shit.
real.
So, but if I would have took that shit and now I'm up, you feel me? So it don't even matter where I get back in. I'm still up 100 on that last play. I could get back in. I could have waited till that bitch went down to 110 and came all the way back to 114. But guess what? I still made my money.
Yeah.
You
That
see what I'm
one that's
saying?
still looking good.
I could have waited till it went to 110 and then came back to 111. And now I'm like, okay, let me get in at 111 and pushing back up. You see what I'm saying? Instead of just trying to assume, especially when I got a contract till next week. That's my thing. When you got a contract, them close contracts, man, get in and get the fuck out, dog. Nigga don't need to be trying to sit in this shit. Man, you got a 2 week contract. You went up 70% in a day. I don't give a fuck if it's a day trade. You went up 70% in a day and that bitch look like it's topping out. Why not close out? Come on.
Yeah, you got to at that point.
You up 70% in a day. You got a 2 week contract. At least you're going to have more money. Now you could buy a 3 week contract.
Mm-hmm.
You see what
Go
I'm saying?
first.
Or
Yeah,
4 week.
keep going
You
first.
just,
Nah, yeah, I like that. Keep going
yeah,
first.
like build that
Build up
shit,
that,
bro.
yeah, build
Build.
it up. Yeah.
You can't build or if you're trying to hold that shit.
Nah, cause
That shit ain't going, you
that
can't
theta
build.
go eat your shit up. That theta will eat it up. It's like this trading option is like a double-edged sword. You don't get it from this side, you're gonna get it from that side. But you
But
don't
I ain't
get
gonna lie, I really do like these options though, bro. Because stocks move so much clearer, like to me,
not to
than
me.
anything. It just,
I
I
just
don't
like
know,
the
it's just
leverage.
clear.
I like the leverage. That's all. I don't think. To me, I don't think they move more clear. I think forex still move clearer to me. But the leverage that they provide when you're doing options, you'll get a bigger gain on that smaller move or that unclear move.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see it as like stocks is like long term growth. Like you could get rich trading forex and stuff like that, but where the wealth is really being built is in stocks. Like I think that's a long term play.
Yeah,
Always, you'll win longer instead of short term
right.
in stocks. I mean, you can still trade, but at the end of the day, you want
Yeah,
to take those and put them into longer term plays. Because the
yeah.
moment you take it out and you spend money with, then you got to pay taxes on the shit. So the
hmm
goal is to never take that shit out and leverage against your portfolio.
Mhm.
yeah, Walmart. Yeah, Walmart.
Come on,
112, baby.
come on.
112.20. Now you better break through 112.50. I'ma bust you. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Break through 112.70 for me, brother. 112.80 for me. I need to break through to 112. Actually, just go all the way to 13. And we can just shut that
damn
down
that.
there.
We want that 115 like you caught us at the beginning
Today,
of the
you
line.
heard me? No, I'm talking about right now. But yeah, 115 after you hit 113, you need to keep going. You feel me?
Oh, shit.
You feel me? But shit.
Man.
All right. Let me see BBAI starting to bust back again. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even want to look at that shit. That shit too volatile, boy. That bitch was at 1% 3 times
But
this month.
that bitch about to bust, bro. That bitch about to bust, bro. Just wait, be patient. I'm telling you. That bitch about to go crazy. You can still get in that bitch. It's gonna bust. It's the best time to get in, actually, right now, because it already did the pullback. Like I told you, you wanted to bust first, get you a pullback, then get in, and the shit gonna be actually cheaper. So you're gonna be paying less than you would have paid before if you would have got in before. So it's the best time to just get in the option right now. I don't know how that shit work, but that's how it work.
Yeah.
Damn, I wish they gave me my margin today. Boy, I would have been in BBAI so quick. They talking about tomorrow. You gotta wait. You gotta wait till tomorrow.
Shit, I need to check my shit.
I'm on PL bus, baby. What you doing, baby? PL. Come on. Man, stock hard today. Let me see. That bitch 10:30 about to give a dozy. Oh man. Don't dozy. Don't do that on the hour. RR is bussing. Uh-oh. RR bussing. Everything bussing. Hey, everything but that's why I need some more money in my shit, dog. Everything busting. Goddamn. I mean, literally everything a nigga in busting. Goddamn. Well, everything I'm looking at busting. I ain't gonna say air. Fuck yeah. I want that BBAI and I want RR. I want both of them bitches right now today. I need both of them right now today, Jesus. So if I wire some money right now, how long is it gonna take? Fuck that,
No, you can't send them niggas a sale or something stupid.
If I had a Charles Schwab account, yes, I would be able to. If I had a Charles Schwab account, I need a Charles Schwab bank account. Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. That's fire though.
But I don't have it.
So you could have a regular bank account with Charles Schwab, just like any other bank, pretty much.
Yeah, it's a bank. Schwab a bank. It's a person, but it's a bank. Stupid.
But I mean, overall, it's like a brokerage, though, right? Like that's what they mainly do. Like it ain't like Chase, like with a. I don't know. I ain't never been in that bitch. Like I don't know what a branch at for Charles Schwab.
Yeah, it's like investment banking, just like Fidelity is like a bank, but it's more so,
Right.
you know, with Charles Schwab is on that type of shit.
So I'm really about to empty out my whole money, dog. All my money in my bank account and this shit, bro. Like this shit so lucrative, bro. Like fuck everything else. Like why would your money be anywhere else but a fucking option or a fucking stock?
Now you talking. Like now you
All my
fucking
money,
talking.
bro. Literally, like this my last little $200 right here.
Yeah.
What you talking
Oh,
about? Put my last
boy.
little 200 in that bitch, dog. I'm gonna make it
Yeah.
back.
No, you ain't lying, bro.
You ain't
I'm gonna make
lying.
Like,
it back,
it
bro.
really is that type of
Damn, dog,
it's that serious.
that bitch up
It,
almost
it,
12%.
that's what I'm saying, bro. I don't know what you talking about, but it don't even matter.
That damn
All this,
robotic company.
huh?
Yeah.
Yep,
I was talking
12%
shit
on
about
Look
it.
all that now when it break that high to the left, look all that clean traffic is gonna eat up.
I know.
Yeah, bro. Man, fuck. Get in now. Now.
Boy, that nigga's cool dead now.
Nah. Hold on. Let me see how much the contract. A January 30th contract for in the money call $65, 67 Delta, 26 gamma on that bit, 26 cents gamma.
They got
A
something
dot
going out to
a
28.
dollar a day theta, 28.
Yeah.
The next one, the in the money, for the 4.5 strike, $30, bro.
But how far out? Like can you go out to 2028?
Oh, you said 2028. Yeah, that's the last one. January 2028 costs in the money call cost 2,050.
That's
The
the
only
one.
in the money call. Then they got the only at the money call for the out the money the $5 for 216.
Yeah, for them
2,000.
all them AI, the big bears, the ETs and all that. If I can't get like the end of 27 or 28, I don't want to play with it because it's
That's what I
too
got it on.
volatile.
That's my big bear. I mean, my ET, that bitch expire next year in
Yeah,
January.
I got my ET going out to 2028, bro.
Damn.
BBAI
Yeah, I'm not playing no more.
B,
Fuck that.
BBAI
That's
volatility, bro. IVP is 4% right now, which means that bitch is not even moving as volatile as it usually move. Type shit.
Hmm. So that bitch could be at 11% or
25%
something.
HVP, nigga.
What's
Which means like
RR?
75% of the time it move way faster than this.
What's the RR IVP?
Fucking
Or
like
AVP?
30 something.
Okay. I just don't like robotics no more. That shit not exciting to me. Like I'm like, but fuck.
No, it's 44. The IVP 44 on that,
Man.
but let me see. Um,
And I feel like
yeah,
Elon, like
that bitch
Tesla
busted.
just go buy these niggas. Which
I tell you what, boy, Google. I want to put like 5 racks on Google and just sit on that bitch.
yeah, I would do that
Yeah,
with
Google my bitch. Remember, I've been talking about Google since I first started looking at these apps. I
Yeah,
love
bro. Like
Google.
Google is so fucking fire,
That bitch,
bro.
that bitch look good.
Google and Amazon. Those are like my two like fucking 5 to 10 year holds.
yeah.
You don't sleep on these little cheap shits too, bro. These cheap
No,
shits
for
got
sure. Yeah,
room to
yeah. Those
grow.
are the ones I'm juicing up. And once I get that, big chunks out of it, I'm throwing it into Google. I'm throwing it into Amazon. I'm throwing it into shit, what's up? Microsoft. And just let that shit sustain. Those are my bank accounts. Those
Them
are my
niggas about
different
to
bank
get.
accounts.
You heard Microsoft about to get sued by Elon,
So
huh? Yeah.
Nah, so
Yeah. Hell yeah.
a part of the game. That's a
No.
part of the game.
so fuck that.
Oh man, no, that's a perfect answer, boy.
So it's all a part of the game. Another headline.
Nah, there it is. That boy said them niggas. I think it was Microsoft. He's like, cause who did OpenAI? OpenAI, that's Microsoft, right?
Yeah.
And
My
he was like, they did some kind of irregular shit through their pattern through turning their business into a for profit with the AI. And he helped started it. He was co-founder of OpenAI in
Yeah, but
2015.
that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing but him
hey
and
mama.
whatchamacallit going back and forth. If he ain't have nothing to do with that shit, then
Yeah, that's
it
Trump.
ain't. Yeah.
That's with him trying to position his own AI.
No, what's your boy?
What's up?
What's your boy with
Get down.
OpenAI?
Get down.
Oh, Sam Altman.
Sam Altman. That's just him. That's just both of them going back and forth at each other.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah,
No.
nigga, that Gemini fucking
Hey.
cold.
No. No.
I just went on ahead and paid for the subscription, bro.
Gemini.
Yeah,
Hey.
I got the
How much?
Google AI Pro. I was like, fuck that, dog.
How
I'm
much?
using it too
How
much.
much it is?
Well, they had a fire little special. This is this is no advertising for them. Shouts out to Google though, but it was like
Hey.
what 6 months, 3 months or whatever like that for like six something dollars,
For
and then after
six?
that it's gonna be $20 a month.
Oh hell
Yeah, boy, I was going crazy on because I use that shit for my business.
yeah. Right,
So I
right,
was
right.
going crazy yesterday, and then the nigga ran out of credits. I never did that before,
Shit, I had doing
and
that daily on ChatGPT. That's why I had to start paying for that shit. I was like, bro, I'm tired of this shit. Them niggas telling me
yeah,
I can't use ChatGPT for another 6 hours. I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna
yeah,
take up
dog.
my card. Take my
Right.
card and give me that
Yeah.
access. You hear me? Like, I need to use
That's
that
what it
bitch.
is.
Gold. Oh. Let me see what silver look like. My old buy silver. Fuck gold. Bitch keeps zigging, but fucking coming back every time a nigga get in. That bitch pull all the way back.
You know what? And I think it's gonna get more like that because now that they've been talking about gold so much in the headlines and all that, it's gonna be more retail investors, which is gonna help the price of gold go up, but it's gonna be a whole lot of instances where they want to sweep liquidity to get them niggas out of their position.
Yeah, they stay doing that shit, bro. That's all they know.
So there's more and more people buying gold right now. Like just like, oh, gold went up. All the people that weren't paying attention to it last year, and they
School
finally
be
got
school be
word.
killing me, bro. Nigga said that's all they know.
Fuck, they be
Yeah.
blowing it, son.
Nah, for real.
Goof ass and son. Like literally, bro, they do that all like last. I just told Six that with German Third did me that, bro. But it's not as bad as gold. Like it's not bad like gold. Like German 30 only came back to a certain point. No, gold gonna come all the way to your stop loss damn near, and then turn and go and put you. You know what I'm saying? You would have been in positive. You would have just
Right.
held and waited through the bullshit type shit. You gotta literally wait through the bullshit and risk your money with gold. You know what I'm saying? Like German 30, when they had got me out, they got me out. I put my stop loss to positive. So them
Yeah.
bitches had slapped me out. Then went up 200. But if I would have just held, I would have been straight. You see what I'm saying? Gold, that bitch gonna go to your stop loss, go close to it. Probably don't stop you out. You heard me? But it's gonna scare your ass to stop yourself out. And then and then that bitch gonna go, you heard me?
Oh man.
Nigga
Yeah,
say,
you gotta
gotcha, bitch.
leave them stop losses alone, boy. That's the only time I be seeing like when you don't pay attention to your account balance and all that. You set them parameters, and niggas know how to pick good trades, so it's not that. But when you let them parameters get hit, like you really be shocked. It's like, damn, my account is growing. Like even though
Right.
you see it, but you letting the take profits hit, you letting the stop losses get hit. You're not getting scared out. You ain't even paying to the charts. You just letting it do it. Just letting
Right.
it do
That's
it.
when you
Like,
getting it.
yeah, I was shocked, and that was like the first, like that last week of December, first week of January. I was looking, I was like, damn, like my shit. I ain't rich or nothing, but my shit actually going up, and I'm just setting my parameter. All right, one or two, one or two, 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Like just letting it run. That shit actually fucking works.
Right.
Boring as fuck though, but it works. That's the
Yeah,
boring
Jeremy
trade.
30 just playing on me right now. Try to go fast. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if I can get in this goal one more time. My last time.
The dollar's still going up. Like
I'm
I
out
know
of
this
getting
is
gold
the
with no stop
first.
loss. That's what I'm about to do.
You say you about to get in gold with no stop loss?
Yep.
After I just said what I said, all right.
Wait, what you say?
Oh my God. I
Man, I'ma
just
just
told that
go.
boy how important it is to take a gun to a knife fight. He's like, yeah, I'm taking my bet to that knife.
Yeah, bro. Fuck that.
Nah, but yeah, man. I don't think gold gonna have a gold. I don't think commodities or any type of precious metal, nigga. They was talking about palladium and platinum going up, like everything, nigga. Copper, fuck gold. Start buying copper. Real talk.
Right.
That's going up. Like find some copper and go to the metal place where they pay you for metal, and you're gonna run up a bag like dead ass.
See whatever materials they're using for all these chips and AI and all this shit, and those ones you want to play with. All that stuff is going up. That's why silver running up so crazy.
I know it's a lot of industrial companies they said are looking at copper and other metals to replace silver because silver getting too expensive. Like I said, silver one of them commodities where companies gonna buy it regardless. Like nigga ain't gonna shut down a company because silver got too high. They just gonna raise the price of their product. But if it's getting higher and higher, they'd be like, okay, maybe we'll coat this in silver, but it's really copper or brass or whatever the hell. Yeah, that shit getting too expensive for them niggas. I can't do this shit. I gotta look for alternatives.
Mm,
I'm surprised nigga didn't come out with a synthetic metal. All this synthetic shit. UJ.
I might just start stacking up on .01s on gold. That's what I'm about to do.
DCA. Dollar cost average. Just down 2%. Tesla hanging on. ABGO down. Nvidia down. Cisco down to it. Yeah, but that damn robotics company said, bitch, breakout.
I'll let this hour close and see how it closes and move from there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up at 11. I think the market's starting to die down. What should say, man? Walmart and clawed back out on 111.
Man,
Trying to go positive.
Walmart full of shit.
Walmart is full of cheap products. That's what Walmart full of. Trying to tell
Shit. That's what I said.
Nah, for real. Oh man. Which tech stock offers better growth? Rich Tech or Coherent? What the fuck is Coherent? Develop roll-off there. Coherent focus on engineered materials, lasers, optical electronics, using interested.
I might just buy silver instead. Gold pissing me off.
Yeah, just fucking silver, bro.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, just do that plate. That plate. Run that plate.
Let me see it on the 4 hour. Oh, yeah, that bitch look gravy.
COHR. Chocolate. Coherent port. High ass stock.
Hour close. Once this hour close, get in something.
27 billion.
Hold it for dear life.
it's still right though, but
S.E. Johnson, a family company.
Huh.
Man, Walmart dropped hard from 112.70, bro. This crazy, bro. This bitch down bad. Goofy ass stuff. I'm about to close this bitch.
Walmart, man, you got niggas over here. How much that what you call it was? That option was like
SLB about to go crazy.
$200-300.
160.
Oh, and you on it was like a 2 week or 1 month?
Yeah, like a 2 week. I'm only down like $15 on it right now, but shit, that's not bad. I could be not use that for something else. SLB doing this thing right now, bro.
Man, with that data in mind, I would definitely not try to lose no more money. I wouldn't say close out right now, but
oh yeah,
Friday is gonna definitely be a determining factor for Walmart because that shit expire next Friday, right?
Yeah.
I said that data go eat all that shit up if it continues to have a consolidated downward type of move on Walmart. Like on the 1 hour, some shit.
SLB looking good too.
SLB.
That been looking great.
The slummiest of all burgers.
Damn.
I like Valero.
All my shit busting except Walmart. Whole ass.
But that's a good thing.
What's a good thing, nigga?
Only one thing down?
I'm sure bust though, for real. Everything
I think my next one, bro, will be a lift play going out to 2028.
I'm gonna look at Lyft. This man be on Lyft like
Nah,
Lyft be doing some numbers.
Look at the technicals though. Lyft just need that.
Lyft got me in the game, bro. The only thing you need is one company and trade that fucking bitch. If it's looking good, then run
So
it
did y'all
up.
get that pushback to $20? Man, we was up, bro. When we got in, that bitch was at 23. We pushed that bitch up $3. This bitch ain't
I
been back
know,
since.
but initially I got in when the bitch was at 15 hours.
Yeah, I'm saying right now
Only
though, that
reason
bitch.
why I got there was because I was holding it for a long time.
You trying to get some more leaps on it?
Gotta let it breathe, bro. That's all I want now. I can't day trade this shit. I'll day trade forex all day.
I don't know this.
When it comes to these stocks, that's long term.
Nah, I feel you, bro. I just
You know,
gotta
for
get
me.
there type shit.
Yeah.
Like I only got like 500 in my account. Them bitches expensive. And I'm trying to make quick money as well with this shit. This shit's so easy to me to make money like in a week. Like you can make 200 a week easy. Like no problem. What 200 in your what 400 in your account like type shit.
Right.
400 in your account, you can easily make 50% of your account a week type shit. You know what I'm saying? As long as you can make in the right play. Type shit, but I don't know. This shit too easy, bro. Like I gotta have some closing options, like a month. You know what I'm saying? At least a month, 2 months in, and just let that bitch ride. Yeah, and like I said, at least a month. But that don't mean I'm gonna hold it for a month.
Right.
Make my quick 100% or
but
something.
You
I really be looking
still
for
got
100%.
money in you still trading that crack account with to get exposure to like the indices and all that shit, huh?
Right.
Yeah.
That's why I was talking about trading gold. I remember.
Right.
Shit, I'm up a little bit on germ right now. Gold, I took all that profit though from me today. Fucking, I lost. I'm down 160 this week. Yeah, bro, this crack account shit not where it's at, bro. You gotta really be on this shit, and not fucking up, doing stupid shit like this bitch. You gotta be on point. But with options, it's like you
can't fuck
it's
away
easy, right?
You already locked
just
in.
Gotta hold right, exactly, bro. It's a difference.
Only thing you can do is get out early if you see it.
Exactly. No, no, no.
That's the only one you gotta get. When you pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud.
No, Mark. Close green on the 5 minute.
They trying to see
I need this green close. Right, not tonight. Today, I'm pulling up to your house. Let's see. Do I have to pull up to anybody else's house? Who else's house?
I want to see what NFP go do to the forex to this AU. You took profit on them sales, bro?
Oh, AU?
Yeah,
I'm still holding this.
That bit.
nice.
PL got a nigga 42% on that.
No, I
call.
did take 25% off. So yeah, I took
That
profit.
was
I
Good.
took
I'm
some
about to
profit.
say that
Yeah.
was a drop.
Nah, facts. Yeah, when I saw that shit, I was like, yeah, I gotta get some of that.
Got to get some of that.
Let's see. Yeah, because AU trying to go back up now. I'll
Yep.
buy that
And
bitch
that's
right
what I'm
now.
saying. I'm
Hold
thinking that
up.
was just sweeping a little bit. What you
How
got?
much up? Hold up, man.
I mean, I would let the hour close first because that bitch on the red is a red hour, but still, that bitch trying to grow, bro. You look at that 15-minute.
We had that bullish
That
engulfing on the 1 hour though.
if it break
What you want? No, that wasn't no bullish income.
0.67,
That was weak. Look what's happening on the 4 hour. Now, if that bitch closed at 12 o'clock with a nice strong, the way it swept them bottoms like that, then yeah, I'll get into another fucking buy right there and NFP me all the way back up.
I don't like that one because the candleless engulfing is like nothing. That's the only reason I don't like that. I don't respect it.
Well, that's what I said. It's not closing until another hour. So wait to see what it looked like.
Right.
Yeah.
but yeah, bro, don't be sleeping on these plays like fucking BBAI and fucking PL
I'm gonna keep it
and
real, bro.
shit.
I got back into BBAI.
Yeah, yeah.
Got you.
Like the little play what shit, little baby. You know about little baby. I just don't have enough. The contracts went so high on the bitches. That shit making people so much money. The contract's like $800 for like a 3-week contract, bro. That's how good a little baby moving right now. The call's so easy, bro. That bitch just sweeping high, sweeping lows, and that bitch like it's just moving and structured so good. Like that bitch look good, bro. But the fucking contract's $1,000 for contract to February. That's how easy the cause is. They want you to pay so much because they know you're gonna be able to call this shit easy.
Yeah.
They know the money easy, so they make niggas pay for it.
Yep.
You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
them niggas,
Like,
them niggas gotta eat. They gotta eat off the back end.
let me
Off the
see.
front end.
Like February 6th
Yeah,
call
you
right
ain't
now.
lying off the front end.
At the money, at the
That's a
money is
fact.
$11. $11 at the money February 6th call, bro. That's how easy this shit is. Like they know niggas eating off of this shit.
And that's off a little baby.
Little baby, bro. You remember when I was buying, we was buying contract, how much you bought that contract for? 50 something, $60, $70? Bro,
Yeah.
that was a month ago. Not even. Like 2-3 weeks ago. Crazy, bro. That's how fast this shit can move. But you know, if you got, like he said, I'd probably be up 1,000-fold if I would have held type shit. If I would have had something till, January 16 to held that bitch.
Right.
Nigga be up. Like them January 16 calls we had. Nigga should have held that type shit. Boy, them bitches up 1,000-fold. I'm sure. Cause if the contracts back there was a $70, that same contract right now worth like 700 at the least. That's crazy. It's crazy numbers, bro. Just in case y'all didn't know.
Yeah.
That is crazy fucking numbers. Come on, man. I need my 30% days back. Well, I was up 30% on the day. Remember that? It was up 28% in a day and all that. Yeah, man. I need that back, dog.
Make you want to go listen to them lives again, like.
I'm up 30%.
Nah,
Up
we going crazy,
20%
bro.
in a day.
Saudi Arabia will open the stock market to all categories of foreign investors starting February 1st, allowing non-residents to invest directly for the first time.
PL busting. Let's go. I hope that bitch keep going. Walmart dropped again. I just don't know what they want to do.
So it's like
When I didn't hear you earlier. When does that Walmart play expire for you, bro?
Go on the 16th.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. Just trying to wait it out.
Yeah, I think I got it. Maybe I think to the 30th. Let me see.
Yeah, I got that one so close because that's all I had enough to pay for. I had to get it like that. I did play it on, but I'm gonna try to hold it for the day. See what it do.
Damn, actually, I got that.
Hold it for the week.
That's a Mardi Gras. That's a Mardi Gras play. That bitch expired around Mardi Gras.
Which one?
It's the
Walmart.
Walmart card.
I got a couple of Walmart. I mean Mardi Gras plays.
I thought for sure this bit was about to do 115. It ain't too late. I just need this 5 minute to close good, but that bit not looking good. I don't be knowing why, but I be knowing like certain time frames. I be needing shit to happen a certain way that like should be about to pop. Like if this 5 minute close above 112.56, that's goodbye. It's gonna be Gucci. All right,
I didn't know
Planet Labs.
Lyft did a deal with DoorDash.
Oh,
What
nice.
you mean?
Got look like yeah, they did a partnership with DoorDash.
And you know
That
what?
should help. That should help a bit. Uh, I'm
Eh,
fucking with Lyft, bro. I really am fucking with Lyft. It's just
And I'm
um
fucking with PL. Let me tell you why. You know what PL is?
what it is.
Planet Labs, PL, is a leading provider of Earth imagining data and geospatial analytics, operating the largest fleet of Earth observation satellites globally. You know what possibly used PL to attack Venezuela? The company primarily generates revenues through fixed price subscriptions and usage based contracts, delivering imagery and analytics through its cloud based platform
God
to
damn.
government and large commercial customers. Ongoing revenue growth is being supported by the continued maturation of its subscription based model, growing demand from government agencies, and strategic shift toward higher value satellite services and advanced analytics. Basically, they can see the fucking ground from the sky, everything,
Yes.
and they're giving that information to fucking governments. And it don't
yeah.
matter what government, they ain't, not one. They giving it to governments. They selling this shit.
And Palantir go by there.
Telling you, bro.
Okay, I'm looking at it right now, School. Thanks for that. Because I got on a little bit late, but They have I'm sure you already looked at this, but in the money, uh, expiry January 15th, 2027. They got one for like $800.
Nice. Hella cheap right now, bro. That shit gonna be
That
worth
I'm about
like
to say, but
three
For a
come on,
full
thousand in the
bro.
year.
next couple
Come
months, bro.
on, bro.
In the next couple
So
months.
I might, damn, boy, I'm about to dig in the savings for some of these.
I watched that bitch come from $17, bro.
Oh my
Like a
gosh.
couple weeks ago. Is that 23, 22?
Fuck.
That bitch was at
Dang. Okay.
$17 like 2, 3 weeks ago, bro.
I'm putting that on the watch.
Yeah, you definitely got to put on the watch.
Put that on the watch right
I
now.
got so many plays right now. It's
That's
crazy.
true.
Almost
That's
3%.
true. I'm gonna put that in my leaps watch. Like that. Everything going in the leap. If I
That
can't leap,
bitch did
it ain't cheap.
478% in 1 year.
I'm up $70 on my option a day on that bitch. I did Walmart to go up, did up there
Planet.com.
115. That I'll be lit. I'm closing that bitch at.
Yeah, you
Bitch
could
start
buy that
playing
shit.
stupid.
I looked at the product on
Yeah,
there.
bro.
You could buy them looking at the Earth and shit. That satellite shit. Like,
Yeah,
you
it's
buy that.
subscribe. Yeah, it's a subscription base. It don't matter who the fuck.
Trying to see how nigga use that bitch.
I think they mostly sell it to the governments, but
I'm about to
so if
start.
you got enough
Oh,
money, them satellite launches cost millions.
no, but
Just for the launch one satellite. Shit costs millions. So I got an April 17 call on this. That bitch was like $30. My whole life.
11. How that Walmart look? It's 11 o'clock.
Bro, if I give y'all all these players, I see y'all niggas gonna be overwhelmed. You hear me? Let me see. Just give them to y'all, you know. The fire ones. Let me see. That bitch, that bitch didn't close how I wanted it to, but the 5 minute still look Gucci, so it closed green on the 5 minute, which is good.
Oh, Big Bear. Wow.
Bruh, I knew I should have bought US 30 up there. That bitch pluck. Easy money. GJ
But that's
played
some
me.
new. That's some
Just
news
dropped
right
that
there.
on.
That just released
For Walmart,
about yeah.
this morning, I was just about to, I kept seeing it, but I'm paying it on mine, but I want to search and see who this nigga is. Shinshir Morata. Mihorata. Whatever the fuck.
We apologize, bro. Nigga just butchered the fuck out that boy name. That's worse than Fletcher.
That's way worse than that, boy.
Fletcher. My
Oh,
boy
that nigga the
Fletcher.
CEO of Superhuman, formerly Grammarly. Nice. I know about Grammarly. Oh, yeah.
Boy, DJ got to this 15 minute to turn a freak around.
That boy went to MIT. Stupid smart
I'm done.
ass.
Nigga, dumb smart.
Dumb smart.
Stupid smart. Alright,
Board member on Spotify. Co-founder of Coda. Worked at Google for 6 years.
man, hey, y'all do me a favor. Go look at gold and tell me what you think. That bitch
Buy.
going up. It's going up. It's
I'm
going.
not even looking at the charts. Let me see.
That bitch just hit this high though. That's the only thing. I really need that bitch to break out some more. That's what I'm looking at. Bitch literally at where I bought it yesterday. It's lost. Stupid ass.
I like
that
the
bitch.
candles. I like the size of the candles that's being like printed. Like when they be having like a big body
Right.
candle followed by some indecision shit or a doji, I don't like that. But the fact that you got 3 strong candles, like I like it. Buy gold, and I wouldn't lose sleep about it. Stop loss up under 42.20 and go along.
And hold it for a fucking year or two.
Or 2 weeks. Because you already know. Go about to be go about to be one of them ones, dog. Go about
Bro,
to
we
be like
called it the 6,000,
no,
61,
it's gonna run.
It's a
67.
safe
It's
haven, bro.
gonna
They talking
run.
about 10. They
I
talking about
know.
10 Ks in 3
I
years.
know, but I'm just saying, like, gold about to have a lot of volume. Like, it's about to go, like, gold about to be doing that 4,500, then run all the way back down to 4,440 in like the same week. Because it's just more people coming into the market, so it's more possibilities for the market makers to sweep all the liquidity and better their positions. I already know that's what's gonna happen. I mean, then you got Trump talking about buying stocks. Everybody should be buying stocks. The stock market is about to have a like, come on, man. You got him saying that, the headlines, all the news, like, yeah, bro. You already know the euphoria start to kick in when the retail traders feel like they missed out. All 2025, whoever went trade in the market, yeah, they about to boost that bitch up this year. Not a bad idea. I'm just saying it's gonna cause a lot of volume. And them niggas gonna try to sweep that shit. But yeah, I'll go along though, man. But definitely not shorting that bitch. So it's either don't do nothing or buy it. That's the 2 options on gold.
Don't do nothing or buy it.
Yeah, but don't sell it. Don't short the shit. You better sit on the sideline.
That's ridiculous. It's now cheaper to fly to Japan, go to Tokyo Disney, get a hotel, and fly back than it is to go to Disney World in freaking Florida. That is ridiculous. They cook.
For real?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Wait, run that back. I was in a little meeting right quick. What happened?
Bruh, it is cheaper to fly to Tokyo, go to Tokyo Disney, get a hotel, fly to Japan, you know what I'm saying? Get a hotel, go to Tokyo Disney, fly back than it is to go to Disney World in Florida.
Short Disney. That's what you're telling
You said short Disney?
No.
me. No, nigga, no. I ain't going that far. I tell you what, boy, I'll go to Tokyo. If it's really like cheaper to do that, nigga, that'll be and I'm going to what they call Super Mario World. I know Nintendo, whatever the fuck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Mario.
That's crazy. I have to just take my niece and their nephews to Disney World and
Omen
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
lifted its copper price forecast for the first half of the year, citing tightening supply outside the U.S. due to tariff uncertainty. Well, copper. I'm about to go find some copper. Go sell that shit.
I better not see you. I better not see you up on the niggas' cars in the whole ass houses and shit.
To get them pipes out the wall.
Boy, niggas still do that to this day. Like that is a fucking hustle.
Fair.
You might,
Especially with your
fuck
prices
around, get
going
your
up like
block.
that.
Yeah, you get your
Yeah,
block knocked off, but
it's more intriguing to want to do it. Shit, they were saying hold. Somebody had mentioned this in the, on a news thing I was watching on radio. It was like it was a certain penny. I want to say before the 80s. before late 80s or something. Like I said, if you got any pennies, save them. Because if we go off the dollar standard and go to like a crypto type shit, then that means all the precious metals gonna go through the roof. You know, gold, silver, like they're already going, and also copper gonna go up. And it was like, if you got a shitload of them pennies, you can save them bitches and melt it down and sell the copper, because you can't do it right now because it's illegal. It's illegal to melt money for a monetary gain. But if we go out the dollar standard, like, yeah, melt that shit. But this question is like, who the fuck got 10,000 fucking 1980 pennies? But that's gonna be a great, just like real estate, a great asset to have. You got a shitload of pennies, and throw them bitches on eBay. And we're probably gonna be selling for like $5 to $10 a pop for one penny. Cost them bitches 15 cents to make a penny. So, but yeah, man, we got NFP tomorrow. We're gonna come back, do a live, see what that news release look like, and go from there. But we about to wrap this up. I think stock market pretty much gonna settle where it's at. I'm not saying too much more.
For the most part. Even though busting.
Yes, that bitch is over 13% now. So somebody is fucking with robots right now. So that's good. Them niggas is buying robots. Slow ass robots. But yeah, man, we gonna come back tomorrow and see what NFP do. Get excited.
Oh, if you look at Walmart on the day chart, well, you probably can't tell. It hit that the 50 EMA. If you know what I'm saying, if you ain't got the 50 range. It hit the 50 EMA and that bitch bounced off. Basically went right under it and bounced off, and now that bitch back up. Hopefully,
give me a pullback, baby.
The only thing I don't like is we under the 50 on the 4 hour, which is at basically 112.80. If we could get that, which is where I have a line at. So if we could get past there, shit, we'd be straight. We need to get past basically 113. Shit. Need to get back up there, man.
Yeah.
It should be fine.
I think it's going up. I think ain't got nothing to worry about, bro. They just appointed Shishir Maharatra to board of directors, so I think Walmart is A-OK.
That was better.
That nigga went to MIT.
That was a good one.
Yeah. I took my time this time. That's why. Last time I didn't give a fuck.
Nigga said, I don't know if that's the name, but it sounded good.
That should sound real good.
Really good.
Sound like he that nigga cousin or something.
You knew him. That's your partner.
Yeah.
Y'all work together.
Oh man. But yeah, man. We gonna come back tomorrow morning, see what it look like.
Right.
See what it look like.
Man. NFP, boy, it's been the first NFP of the year live. Let's get it, bro.
Of the year, nigga.
Everybody go put your money in Walmart. If y'all got $1 billion, drop it in Walmart.
Please, for real.
We need you to just push it to 115. We're not gonna be greedy. We just want to get out at 115. That's all we're asking.
We out of that. We out of that, man.
So if we could just get that mug to get to 115, my man. The guy that's listening with $1 billion.
Nah,
fuck. I would not complain if it pushes past and does all-time highs as well. I mean, whatever you could do. I'm here watching. But next time that mug starts zigging, I'm gonna be zagging. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I like that.
So yeah, let's see it. I'm with them. I'm with them. The Forex bro.
Nah, but yeah, man. We're gonna keep in touch in the chat if anything crazy happens. Like RR going to 20%. I don't know what the fuck this bitch doing. I'm about to start looking at.
I'm sure that bitch about to do numbers, bro. I'm sure it's gonna do numbers. I've been calling this month since Monday. I've been just waiting on it to do this second breakout, which it just did. It should do one more pullback into like 370.
Right.
About 370, and then push up from there. It's good. It's gone. $5. Let's get it. You heard me?
That's a bet. Yeah, we'll be back.
Try to get that thing tomorrow.
7:30. You heard me? On the dot.
Oh, nigga up early, huh?
Yeah, I'm up early. I'm trying. I want to see what that news do.
Yeah, we gotta catch that NFT.
Catch that bitch. So I'll probably gonna allow like 7:25. Right for that bitch.
Like what for your AU and shit?
Yeah. NFP kind of usually messes with the forex more than the stocks. I mean, obviously the stock market not open yet, but that it does affect the stock market once it opens. But we gonna see. We gonna see.
GJ played me
on payroll.
Oh, we know Walmart gonna have it going. Them niggas ain't hiring nobody.
I kind of want to go try and get a job just to like test that nigga word.
I'm done.
See if he really holding on his word.
Y'all hiring over nobody.
Whole process.
Nobody. Boy, I gotta tell you, nobody.
You lying, nigga. I got a job yesterday. And I quit.
I'm done. You lying.
Yeah, we'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace out, everybody. Hold your trees. Don't get out the tree.
Stay black. Stay dangerous.
You already know.
Get it. Peace.